Hey, Brony wow. Messi Montoni low, now Monshani high, mammy will bet you were watching. Montoni low, now Monshani high, Brony wow. Where boutique, dear pa, Uncle Boutique, I'm 50 Ghana cities. I had them in the mouth for crap. Hey, you don't come me. Mammy, 10 cities never come. Don't come me. Mammy, oh, 10 cities. Nice clothes, yeah. Hey, Montoni low, now Monshani high. Hey, Brony wow, Monshani high. Mammy, me patch, who do a man to play him out. If you have an opinion, I'm saying, Nice, chef. Oh. Nice dress. Hey, Montoni low, now Monshani high. Montoni low, now Monshani high.
I don't even understand. Sometimes I wonder why I don't even sell one shirt set, one dress set.
One dress set.
I'm tired with this business.
Over time, Mammy Casam Joe said they would be torn no man, and yet the Obenya customers. Say nice clothes, 911. You are like what it's on. I had a local vote at you. A two fire. Crying, brony wow. Crying, brony wow.
Even the small money we will get from the thing, then the local people can't carry on, the local authorities, they can't take the small thing we will get. Yeah. Very irrelevant guys. Why?
Understand it maybe because maybe agency illegal. Yeah. Because Obi store any money, they make what must. It is a came for bedroom. I'm not saying no mayako.
Okay, so what should I be saying? What make I talk?
I can say the dress for what?
What should I say so that the people could buy my
the goose?
Yeah.
Top person told ya. Fine, Oma will tell mom, let's only mean I pay. So, we'll go up a so better than what felly because when you say, oh, can't back up from 20 members. Okay. But to call a crying, brony wow, crying, brony wow, when you say, catchy. Okay. And to about it. Okay. Crying, brony wow. Crying, brony wow. Say it. Crying, brony wow. Crying, brony wow. Yeah, crying, brony wow. Crying, brony wow. No be the white man dead you. It's crying, brony wow. Crying, brony wow. Yeah, crying, brony wow. Crying, brony wow. That's how better you know better customers. Crying, brony wow. Hey. No. This one is. I'm trying to make my business. Okay. Yeah, you are balling. Crying, Brony. This one is crying. Okay, so I should say crying. Yeah. Crying, Brony. Wow. Brony, wow. Yeah. Brony, wow. Yeah. Thank you. Running away.
Wait. Let's pray.
I'm play for let's play for.
Oh, fire. Oh, you gotta pray and thank God for the food. Huh? Pray now.
You to play. Oh, you are white man. You bear God than me. I'm black man. Black man, black sense. Do you play?
Let's pray.
Yeah.
What you have eaten is okay. It's okay. Leave it. Jai. Why?
Where's it?
Stop. What you are doing? A man put you on. Oh, stop. See the fish.
Leave the thing.
Oh, you've eaten some already. And let me eat this one. When I was praying,
and the first one. Matter 4 pair. No, so what's what for?
4 pair. Okay, put it down. Let's see.
Man to them,
leave the bowl.
Man to them, you mess me.
Stop it.
Come on.
Oh, stop it, man.
What
do you want me to do?
Come on.
You think you're the only smart one. Eat all the food.
Send them say, matter 4, such a 4.
Wow.
Give us. You can't believe it. What a wow. So pretty. Number different. But the miss of a fan. Wait, so how? Trust me. When you meet me, and you make a second, girl, you are strong. Why, dear? You are a nice girl. You will get a nice guy who can take care of you. Not like jumping one man to the other. Fine, but not to the extent of stealing. Hold it. Suffer, mommy. And then you twist. One got second, and I said 2 uncle to see this on Jim's girl. That is only because I love you always. I like you. And oh, yes, smart. And oh, girl, give me 5. I'm with you. And then you two for bonnet. And then Wakuno. My sister. Stop, mommy. One can be out. Always. We are Christian, but you are if. Oh, why you want to tell you? What's your problem? Who is on your piano? Shut up, the thing. Let me go back. Come and see. You didn't come again. Shut up, the thing. Oh, not need to tell her too. Now, yeah, maybe a team. Okay, sister, you are going for shopping. Thank you. You are going to. Thank you. Found them the shoes. Me also, Ankasa. My name is Ankasa. Movement or the anomaly, and yet I don't know. Who dumping a spirit? Are they? What is with you? So for my washer, the okra washer. Coca was to go back and let you see. And now don't for the final swap. What is that? I am on the pounds and told to night this car. I am in the H. Sir, prophet, are too for you for the trouble. Thank you. For long life. To my boutique. Prosperity. Shopping. Who you be? Don't gas away. Okay. Hey, Abo! Fia! Hey, Abo! It's in the baby Fia. Me no. Me na mi bu bog no. Last time when man so tell me. Ya wa actually. Me catch me mama na good you. Mama na good you. What did I make catch her? Just a woman who person we are met at the piano. Who better what? Ah, Jack, Mrs. Yancy, they catch you. Just a woman, Mrs. Yancy. So what come over? That's what for the Japadia. They catch your pleasure. They have 3 days. Patonia Frifia. So, color. But give him. I didn't know how. I didn't know how. I didn't know Sue. I didn't know Sue. When you walk for a bar, I'm acting as a kicking walk as I will. Let me catch up say. And somebody now, you're pushing now, you're quarter. Quarter, so a lawyer for once. Yeah, you don't know quarter. Me say siansie, me catch up play. Me say mama no. E mama no na tiada. Me kala kuma se me. Me say na da. I me say, ya no court bi ani asam. Me catch up no. Say me say, me kala kuma se na me say. Me catch up be say, ewura paka de me frifia.
E ko na ka pake.
Me ma 3 days.
Me no man ka me ewura de man kan.
Oh, me de me ewura de am ko pake. Na sa 3 days na sa wo pake o me ma. Ade afa e be your time. What did I make a child?
Fana na ehia no mumudi wo hia nto wo so no etina wo fana da achi na ka wo be kono ho
ye di wo hia to so
na wo be kono ho da
sa
wo fa wo hia ni kwa wi nsanya wo fana ye ni ye no wo na enim se wo
no ti ana pe so wo pe chapade wo fa fie no na fa company ne ka ho cha me catch you play se ka woni mu a ka wo wa pa ka oni ma ka wo ku wo fa ya se to a chapade ti na wo no
kala aha on so wani abra chapade it need to say Japadi na so ku mo fa
me me Japadi ti na ku mo fa
Japadi ka we ku no
me me Japadi ti na ku mo fa
Japadi
asa ayo me catch you cha me se siasin
catch up later me kala ku
ze mama na ti ada me kala ku ma se me ti na ta
ana wo so ku no
wo na ku no wo pe fo ba ye ko ana de ku na me catch you ana me catch you no me se 3 days wa pa tia wo ba tia wo perform a wo jo ni kwa no ahwe me da me ko me to bia ni asam me ne ko to fo ani asam na me catch you sa me kala ku ma se sa me de faso na sa nye ya
oh me be yam asababe wono wo fa ba ha se just mo adu ba bia oh wan sa da ni wani aba sa wo pre Japade Tama wo fa na ma no no se krekre kete se bodem nya no ne nam no me ma fa no a kire ni nyansa no kwa ya fa so ya bre enya Japade no wo ko no ho da na o me se ensem no ho kra na o ti a ebufu me wo ha yesa ni ku abusuafo anya kukuduro aba ase anya ni ku e wo fa ani kala kumase wo mo ba okwan so a fi se papa ni wuye no matre fi ha fi na mmere na so se me ye betumitimi nya na me yi miema na o mefefi eni enso bro ase bro the share Munim blam ne papa na bre. Mun ma de kura dai kukuru besi yo. No for company. Easy. Na before wo kum Japade nti wo kum ye de hie. Amaye. Enti me se kwan bia so me se ye na chief ya na sa. Se mo beti dia asam na wo court. Ti mun kona me ne court ngopo. Point no. Hopa na me hwe. What we can search the woman and one. They can hear Macassi. Ah, oh my goodness, say. I know boo say. I didn't know when country woman said. Oh, when they hear Japade. Says your woman was a woman, you bring Japade and open. Woman, the cool man. A Japade to the Mukuno. Yes. Oh, Franco caught sending a walk on some foot in a court war. And some time tea, and I feel so. To be a baby on Pibion found. Oba be sia kala kumase afiri boku kikika ni buso motia aba be kansa fun sa akiro da min kasa kra jawo masam na ya me tan kra when you can do mama court ya that's it my friend, let's go out and go court ntimi min kasa yeah yempie yen ko firi yen pe bibi no ko fe be ntrase yen yigi yani maka to say ye pie ukuna wu after all we are free go out meet people and talk to them. Make friends. What if you're my boring? Why? Look at me. Look at you. Madam, I don't care. If I'm going to be out to
I know one day will be my day. And she might I don't go talk, I don't go shine, I don't go quit. Brony wow, cry, brony wow, hey brony wow. Hey, Brony Wow. Hey, Brony Wow. Hey, Brony Wow.
Climb,
Brony Wow. Climb, Brony Wow. Climb,
Brony
Hey,
Wow.
climb, Brony Wow.
Climb,
Hey, Brony Wow. Hey, Brony Wow.
Climb, Brony Wow. Madam, we are she. Come.
Hey, first grade.
First grade.
Hey, where you boutique?
Nice.
Hey, where you boutique?
Nice one. We have fast selection.
Yeah.
Climb, Brony Wow. Brony Wow. Come.
Brony Wow. Hey, Brony Wow. Hey, Brony Wow. Hey. Hey.
Bob, are they?
My own stomach. It is burning me.
Your stomach is burning you.
Yeah. I bet you too. I'm eating small beans. It's shaking my stomach. I'm going to eat.
Okay, go and come. Climb, Brony Wow. Yeah, yes, madam. Why are you going with your Brony Wow? Over to my man.
Hey!
Oh. Bob Cigar. Climb, Brony Wow. Hey, madam, bear. We are she best friend. Hey, what are you doing here?
Huh?
I'm doing back business.
Back business. We are long. Who is the high street?
Oh,
huh? Now, hey, and you say to me for animal. Hey, who is taking a what? Come, question for one. Mr. Quack. Bob, wait there! Yeah. I said, hey, what was more? Hey! Bob!
Oh. I beg you, whip out your eye.
Bob!
Now, what better would be man to say? What you show are they? It depends on which I drink. And you won't say, we are here about. And you won't question a dear here. You make what must say. Ye jabby, now the be a city. Mimi will you be said that be a me, a billionaire. Yami was shame. Et dear pan how want to would me free better, baby say. Eh? Then how? Can you cry how to me? Huh? Hello?
I'm worried about my goods.
Your goods?
Yeah, the one KMA took. They seized my goods.
What am I going
to tell Kofi Japan?
Japan, no man,
Yeah, Japan, that's his goods. And the KMA guys took it. And how am I going to explain? Where am I going to get the money from to pay him back? Because, you know, I call.
Hey! Kofi Japan goods now cover my KMA for befa.
All the money is gone. I don't know how I'm going to repay.
I the market is OBRONI chicken tawater. Uye OBRONI chicken tawater. Was be yes, Papa Kofi Japan. Why ye are red? Na the me and so be down count for any camera. Onum we are trapete quarter sabe for the joy dedicate to be assassin. Now, Johnny de Obuakra, the Nichina and Nasso, obey your hot. Coppe Sika Comano. And yes, sir, some near ye flow area hamo, Bruni Coco Martin, ya fetch the gong and Crani boss Hamanano. Eh? Bo we baba chewed what to Mansika Simon Feniagro. Unco de Mumrano, now colorways and I black. Who's India for no more colors too. A be a black and be a white. You for Bruni Tuntum Martin, ya fetch the gong. Bruni Tuntum Martin. Ya fetch the gong, a dear flabet, over David to Dini the Aquesa. Massa, Bessina min copper quarter bear for be maunumo. Young Koda view, Neco quarter safo, never coda. Never face with problem.
I don't drink.
I don't drink.
No.
Asem say ato na wo dwendwen yes I want me know. Ye ko ne ko twetwa bi. Sole yen kwai.
I don't drink.
You are drink.
Oh, stop.
You are drink. Yeah.
I have a problem. You are laughing.
Debbie, you are laughing. I'm in a mania. As I'm not to me. And you, who dear me acquired the Asebi, Utia Woodini, Untimi Union for Basaba contract into so. Nyam watch and near Hootie by a said is a busy Aquana, other Yesuka in Yahim. Ninkutia, Yanko Pebin Canada and Yanko Solid. Solid, yes, or be crab because I'm Didi Gramma. Oh, Brony, chicken town to. Oh, Brony. Chicken town to some names as a chicken town to the Tana Castle. Yeah, ready. Maybe to me, you're here by and you bought for me. I teach me, I'm over the camera, medica, Miss Wadi can't eat to Cacanson alley. Hey, oh, Brony, chicken town to. Hey, oh, Brony, chicken town to. Hey, Brony, come out here. You are fetching a gongo. Hey, Brony, too much here. You are fetching gongo. Satam, you are go back to the prison, back down to the town. The students is calling you Brony too much here. You are fetching gongo.
Oh, my friend, my money.
Oh,
Japan.
Japan.
Hold on, relax.
Please, I'm here for my money.
Yes.
Just give it to me and let me
wait and hear what I have to say. Listen to what he's saying. Listen to him.
Oh.
He has something to tell you. Hear him.
Yeah, but so they know and
Bema, has some Mako food, Papa, you was a me. Me the go on my meton. So, would there be any people who almost any only any say, my father for. And I mean, any money with the amount say, Bema, now so where they will see a practice now from Scabrem and Fair, Pokemon boss. He said, I'm going to go station up why they walk on a Portmore police station. So I said, he said, or more timid. He said, my friend, come in and go to Shashuni. Oh, he said, much as his canoa.
2 better wine.
To me, my batch in the knuckle.
What's in a win?
Ah, into me, good man.
Massa, when you're friend, I bet you more.
Was shooting about
Nippon
to engage can.
I dear mean penal, I dear Michigan time we are saying. So be Baby Genesika, near confirm some bodyguard, no matter guard, send out the mouth. Cigar.
On your bodyguard, on them debate on how be boss no. Wait.
I wouldn't say sick any cry. Oh, Judge, Massa. See,
Kofi Japan, listen. That day I was selling the goods, and these KMA people, they came and they seized the goods from me. He was there. He was there with me, and they took the goods away.
And I do mind, I said, no,
we are even going to beg them now. Oh no!
Take him my money and let me leave.
Kofi.
Wait.
Yeah, you know, so he me fam. Massa. Me what been a KMA for? Be fan, man. Massa. Massa.
The KMA me me dog na enchi me ana.
Okay. Some of the money came for na eduma.
Dan kwasi akeka na Kofi wa yotie. Massa. Me catch row. Me diska. Eno, Kofa no ma no. Eno ma no me nya be sika na nkasa mfa so okura ba. Ti me catch row me nim se wo boa. Eno wo tutu na mo se Yamra has say because my case in I'm a police. Me dem a police. Think I make no. No dem abaha. 2 pam yenko.
Me ba cho. O ton force and so to good.
Me ton force and to good.
I beg eh.
Clafus. O clafus na team say dey to good. Krema me ka sem cho. Sika na say.
320
I will be no be ka say nipa bahat. Sika na say. Eye say Kofi.
O tuaka.
Me ba eye 300. Sole. No we no be be mo boku to sole. For my inquiry. I say 320. Some person didn't go to me. Kofi. We are see the Sebi. A police for moon to train the panway. Connect with them.
What is that?
Who was Sikana?
I don't have the money. I'm going to beg AMA.
Oh, beg you, man. Shani Mom Diaba. Oh, beg you, Maggie. And I feel yes, so being found to be a walk-on. I just said holidays cake and I could. Tis some American. Obiji what team for police from Kai and Mom you. And then we are here. That be an open stories. I catch all man. Nonsense.
You are wasting time. Let's go.
I thought you're my friend. I didn't.
Oh, okay.
I beg you now. I beg you.
I've begged this man for 2 days now. Until so I report to the police. Let's go to the police station.
If you have the money.
Let's go. Oh, let's go.
Dabio, Masana, Dabio, Medoka. Let the woman let you want to be a Medoka. Over corner, Dabio, Casamia, them what it. Massa, can you also know that for Massa? Come about, why? Coco. For Yasimo, what do you come found? Come about our Panko. What's it there? Me are there. What's it there? Je me coach like me from an abandoned open some down for. Oda. Ah, from me. Hey. You may know, so may what if I go what to
I told you so. I told you so. Me catch you so bending kunim udiko. Now be said this bio. Yes, I'm catch you. Man catch just caught the phone baby abua. I'm ready baby. And then I'll cheers for the betterment of our lives.
Thank you, Madam Bombo. So can catch you on say. Because I say papa then when you are sharing me trap with tea. One man ni was so court about the so. Never bushing a fool, you could have bushing. One would teach you one or person who many was here. I walk. What you need to try to me? Madame say, and then you're betty and woman one, the bruni. Neighbor, you could be many. Only Papa was circle. Many, only Papa was circle. Shatingo. I am someone who said, no, my match. So, a assignment in the mouth. Some pa, we said to be moved up here. We're finishing the band. I tell mammy. Because Sam says, Yansen. So, pa, Shatingo. Why you met town for Cassia Power, we are saying. Killer, Miss Row, the person who got put a pa, who be in a few mammy. So let me town for Cassia pa, or we are saying. So, what I will my killer?
Mommy.
Killer.
I said, oh, bananas. You want to walk from yes, I will come once. And I would in a buy. I was saying, women call for you. Answer me 2 and a mom. A kindle. We're a specialist. Our knife and hands. And a specialist in physical blows in a fight. Miss Wamitiwe, Yadiatitemi, spiritual and a tool. Will be no bit to escape. Until Juma okay, dear, some messes yaksing our canasa. Count the person dead. A Juma near better than a tell. Now, only one thing. Say, Nabotre. Am I 2 days?
2 days, killer.
Yeah.
Hey, killer. Killer me das.
And after 2 days, you know, Obeti Yanka.
What killer?
Brahabishia. What you make up? Sheye. I want messy up with Jessica.
Mat. Oh. Killer. And no credit. Finish we have discussed, Bama. It's what kind of was. And your messenger coin. Call with us. Now, say, maybe a cost of life in my bro. I don't know. In Takora. Oh, no. I think some baby. Oh, a freeze the new crew, yeah. In your bush, your folk with dear some quarter on the day. Me who told me that? Just say, Minya, the pen of a goose on my damsel. She will bush your 4 years, she will bush your 4 years, why she will be here, dear Baninette. Kawumi ha, come here, see another pair by the damsel. She ye pa, bush your phone from ye. Just said, what kind of comment, yes? Means a father, Babano. Sapa pepe, and a baban visible show for no one trust. And yes, I my own fate Japanientes. Who's a no money abri papa? And 2 months for what to say. Share enough of me. And one of them, I was so good. So many have me, we do for baby. Not baby, I'm me, Madame Bombo, we knew the hope here. A Jew and a Jew. A new come cry. Sir, you the sick one. When I make catch, nothing some in a mother. My shaman won't neighbor. What to watch it, and I won't yet. It's a little who do one so. We can come and put so much. Who has a common to be better? We do that one. I bring Viera. We have a dream from my yard and body. And cheerful. The best outcomes. Back to sender. Back to good. I was going to say back to sender. Back to sender. Yes. Don't worry. Be happy. Okay? Back very good. We don't go. I'm going to swatch and be a air course. Believe me. That's me. Let's cheers. Cheers in the wow. For the betterment of our lives. Thank you. I know one day will be my day.
Oh, please. Nonsense.
Oh, Father,
I'm sit down.
It will be a funny sacrament. Eh? How could them who say? This one, yes, please, one who said the See, I will bumpire, I'll be able to so. So, we are Juma, oh, maybe sure so window be sicker. Came me for a bar, or make sure so we began. None, when you are strong.
Sir.
The boy.
Yes, sir.
But one of a time. But the a quiet fast who quiet. And I met me a cocoa piece council the other.
You anyway, I thank you.
Oh, nice. Oh, are they?
But that's it.
Yeah. That's all that's it. But in your mimic can be bellu. So I was a minister be ada. Sabi me to a young papa unity wire. And our case been. Just a papa business ya. Me kobo besia. Me kobo besia me de bellu. And me kobo besia so no nipa na sabi we bank pay no. No ko so on farmer me. And I'm be for straw bear for the could be a genemu. And I'm or the besia na mammy. Now, what she says, can I, the mamma, me what 10%? I seem to you.
10%.
Yeah, me come be a no. What's a musa? Because I was a musa. Me will come in my country because no person be you free. Said will be unfound to one at opera. Now, means to songs and me banana to me buy a police for near the ideas and me yin, so me said to you and the other day. Sabi, won't mean police station say, Uba you will do a bra, Ghana police will be Jauqua. Honestly, so make a kind of my bones on to be 10%. I me anka say so you have 10% man but me menye if you are 10% man to be 20% na si ama me aka sika na me de bebele no e kana wa wudi ye no but eye ukodem say aboa ukodem experience nti say anyam bia no wa hunu say de wiase te da achi ubetimi aka bibia kire wo ma umpodo tri ye mfo ankon se wam kuma se ye na ye de wonam nti we okay it is okay it is done tell no na ye ntwa so so bia wanum say state ni enko. Na confirm 10%, 20% in mamsi. Answer can we chase Catherine?
Me, I'll give you 10%. For what?
20% to
20%.
Yes.
Hey,
just 20%.
We are down for Bonnie.
Don't tell me I'm down for Bonnie.
Wicked. I thought you were my friend.
Yes.
You're a wicked guy.
So you have money.
I don't have the money, but you are very greedy, selfish.
You too greedy, selfish.
I'm thinking, oh, my friend has come to bail me, not knowing you want me to pay interest.
You eat somebody's money.
I didn't eat anybody's money.
You eat.
Weren't you there when KMA came to collect my goods?
Hey, that time I'm going to toilet too. You tell me, I don't know.
What nonsense.
Say you are telling me truth or you are lying to me.
So I don't eat the money. Sika wenfa. Sika.
What could you be sika? Me na mabob wo jade o chene na wo abusuya.
Oh jai.
Wuni papa. I don't have father and mommy and sister. I don't have family.
Where is my own? Do I have some?
I don't have some. Ask for me, so I don't have some. I'm going to take loan, bring 20% to say blah 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 blah.
You're a bad friend.
You too bad friend.
Very wicked guy.
Gay boy.
God punish you.
God punish you. Gay.
Punish you.
Gay.
No.
Somebody's take your buttons.
Bois.
Meme bois.
No.
What's that?
What you know? Yes, sir. What am I saying? Yaksi na unam kuma uye utuku ano. Uye yama. Ube chwana nani?
Yo, killer! What did you want?
Ube titi mi on. Because you dia grow on. What? Tu man mayache. Want to me?
Hey!
Kiddo, how treat me? Kiddo, go away! She's all there. But money, I'm ready. Money! She's all there. What's in your? What can't I run yet? Nyama. Nyama kada.
Madam Bombo me da si oh Madam Bombo. Say na wo na de me fa ba bia. Yeah, can you be tell me what he? The profit di na ye hana mama o mo say. Yeah.
Joe. Juma na nye sisi crowd.
I'm not sure that. So very good diago.
Juma did it him. You see a difficulty when we
Try. Kila. I don't know where you are. Huh? Who was somebody life with Diablo me boa? Mrs. Yancy na munkunu mame no. Nye mame na na mo. Huh? I don't know who somebody me sa. Hey, Kila me no na ekasa no. Me no mo na ekasa what? Abu so manim say o shine mo.
Mame. Juma na ati mayen. Embranka ni pale na mo.
Achim.
Emla mo ni pale na mo. Na mo nyama juma mo ye no. Mo ma juma mo ye no. E ya sa na ya ma mo. To to kile ni pa no. E ma me na mo tom ye. Wati, ni pa nda so ni na mo no. Ko pa sa mo cha mi sai. Ha? Na wo woni.
E tino wanka so wanko kele no.
Ke do chire. De jam ha ko kele. Me e ya ma juma me ye. No na ye wo juma.
Yes, come on.
Na juta ni sam so wo chire.
Yes, come on.
Wo no so ni so chire bi o sha me ye.
Wo
posakna. Sure. Hey. The catch them. No. Me kala kumase me. Mi suro mo. Sabunim. Na munim. Na assignment nam de ma mo. Se mo anya. Ade. Wo kila. Ono kola. Ade fe be mo tai. Ma catch no. Mo ti da be kan.
Eh kala kumase. Pascalba.
Te do achire. Ono chimi do achire. Me senti me so de wudi na.
Hey mami.
Wo se be ko ada no mo kwase no. Ha? Ko ka se me se ya ko.
Yeah, that's me. Get one.
I know one day will be my day. Inti me pre I know go stop. I know go shine.
Fear.
One of them.
Who is a fear? I'm not a fear.
I know you're a fear.
I'm not a fear. I'm Cindy.
Oh, okay. I know you're a fear.
I said I'm not a fear. Ada, you see me did Cindy. Ada.
All right, look, I'm not. No. I'm not going crazy. All right.
So somebody baby, I mean no started life. I was somebody baby say be fear. Ni busy and na sit me. I was saying,
Mami, we lady, Mr. Kasese lady. Macho, Mr. Mo. Me who say mo ye raba. Me buma. It me who say dem no ye kasa na manager. Say dem address na mama ne mo kasa enko. What as mama catch no. Say bi enipa wo fie na bi wo nwura. Wahye nipa na so no kasa se woni mu a wo si nipa we mu no nipa bi se wo katwi kasa se nipa bi se ne hwe na se teletele sebi asante himampo nipa ko ne nkyane ne kasa ne ntese mo.
I know her. I know you well.
She don't know you. What is your beef? What is it? She don't know you.
Mami.
Mami. Baby ah.
Woni mi ya sebi tie nipa se wa ye me kwat mase.
Yes.
Mami tie hey.
This is wasting our time here.
We are late. Tie me enkasa sa sebi so bi hyechele o tanche sebi o mo ye moa. Enipa kro ya wudi no ebia ne yen. Be ma kro a wo kọ ne nchen the same to yen. Ye me kwat mase.
So mo te sa mo.
Na mami we wo kasa bahata o mema atuma ni so what. Sebi mu dwo o mo ye hwan. Die na ma mo ye. Atade a mo hye ntie hu bi da. Togo media shisha mutie hu bi da na.
Choka semu yo.
Choka kasemu ye.
Enka ne kasetia.
Hey. Wo swap no se pink o, se red o, se black o. Choka say what as ma me catch on. Sebi utua fire so. What do me woni me confire no me kasa wo betua fire no so. Woni me ma kan so msika da.
Wo gina won wo ye hwan.
Me bi se woni ma kan so msika da.
Apu.
Ya ma me ka so cho. Ahene pan kasa. Na montadi wo ye hyehyɛ mu de yetimi to bi ma ye guess. Togo yi.
Semu gina we.
Say, before war. For the low nation high. Who dresses is here when I'm crying, said you are showing I'm a cobo.
What
Send them into your mamma.
Sister, young.
Send me wallet. $100 natural. The other, Okra so Tim Country. We will bonus is no Bobodia. What bonus is no Bobodia? Oberhan no lawyer ni be na Trumpana. Lawyer in his president and near secretary of shows and what Jajo for 15 years, 25 years. Consawam. Just any packet one. Because if you what disappointing, wouldn't you know control? Wouldn't you consume? Let just a cat guess be come and shot me. Man, your pussy sika will move bottom. And Quanoya, I'm going to go for around Yanko.
When you know, one shine high. Brony will cry, cry. Oh, cry, cry. A cry, cry. Cry, cry. Meba madama, meba madama, meya majuma, 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 meya majuma, meya majuma, meya majuma, majuma, majuma. Ajumeya dino sumeya. What if I go what you are this way? I know one day will be my day. Inti me bre my commending. I no go stop, I no go try, I no go quit. I go do my best, go do my best.
From Ramanomi and Nama, Koshia Gay, I was here for a few. O friend was trouble, tip man from Sadano Corner, when you will keep him. There be a watching a human point to me. A dear crowd, what would the dear come across no problem? But my main cousin Major, Sebi, before Babu, no one so secret bibim. So we are to my dinner, we know sick we are. Sebi or Baby sent to me my 200. They make what must see. To what dream they are, Juma, maybe to me okay. Said they met in Ubin to me, send me. Sazuna Miss me to me, yes, will be. Meaning, who said they met here? Forget about the thing you are dreaming or you are thinking about this building back. Huh? Hello?
Yes, some more.
Yeah, I ask him.
Yes,
SMP. Hey, SMP say.
My story is long, man.
Oh, so no, why did you try to name your short to a bunch of my
I wasn't like this.
Wearing
tarted shirt, trousers. I was born in an affluent home. What do you say affluent? Do you understand affluent?
Affluent, say, maybe a holder now. Another day.
I had everything. Everything.
Okay.
What did I lack? It all began when
you see, my dear, I don't buy the idea bringing in your uncle to this house. Oh, Okofa Wofa, Wofa, or your mercy. Opa ban what the problems, please. And Kofasa Mumma. Oh no, but no fool say ye, but on Kai Brahma brew, and I am you know your bread. Now, fee or never china incense to come so say.
No. Oba, wo no pay. And I'm free Britain, yeah, say where England was a heifer. Mubedi yeso and I'm beka. Wabeka, and I'm adore. One to me, Uncle Bill. Me worry what? Your friend saying, Wakofana de Naba. What I say? Yea, and I say, media, me can't say me a Ghanaian. Ghana, yea, ya mamre, actually say. Yabushia, yabushia. Mean took me so, and to ya, me wofa, or yamabushia penny. Asem to me a udina machi, me nkwala bring bra me wofa brain. Dear Macano, Maca, Mumpo, me wofa, or betnefia, if you can't any anything. No, can't do that. Never.
And you say, dear, may catch you say, to no good, or that sort say, that you can, and yes, I am missing. But no ban. All of us be away now, one I be.
Mammy, me say, mean to me, yes, I did.
What did I say?
Oh, I didn't do that.
Dad, I think you need to see Mom's point. You need to side with her. You need to buy into what she's saying. I understand they're your relatives. It's your uncle, yes. But I just think they're nothing but a bunch of gold diggers. And probably after what you have.
Oh, make us a Magrin and I, Brunia. Maybe they might kind of matter, me ofa, me man and Nabontin. In fact, make a baby matter.
My dear.
No. Don't take that.
Come on, this one swallows. If you are soon, yes,
Yeah, Bonnie. I said last week in reality, I said, may I will cry. See the way I see by point. See, I'm a man to me, I cry, because man will be a cry. See, me buy and dinner watch. Me buy it. I was seeing one and I'm so because I know. Oh, feel me. Man.
And soon, oh, then the Becassa, so Jimmy didn't tell about Becassa. I
could see my tono. It's me, I know. I was so good. Yeah, I said I have it.
So don't
Mom.
Yes.
Mom, home. Mom, what is she doing here? Why are you here? If yeah, why are you here? What do you want?
Please sit down.
Mom, you don't know what she's doing to me. You know, I don't mean to sound disrespectful, but if yeah, you know what I have done for you. I picked you up from the streets, from the slums, tried to teach you English, and polish you up, transform you, make you sophisticated, and this is what you do to me? This is the payback I get?
Akwasi,
huh?
Please sit down. You just sit down.
Mom.
Please. You just sit down. Please sit down. Thank you. Afia has told me everything. It wasn't her fault. Her mom was sick. So you just find a place in your heart and forgive her.
You, Afia, you know what you're doing. Every time I decide to teach you a lesson, the first thing you do is you run to my mom. Right? Because you know when she speaks to me, I will listen. That's what you do all the time.
Akwasi, I've talked to Afia and I know she will not do that again. So you please forgive her. Okay? Come on. Smile. Let me get your smile.
It's alright. It's alright. I forgive you. It's fine. That should be more than sufficient.
As you need your dad's money, please say no. Don't.
Why? No, it's okay. It's fine. That's what we do for love, right? I love you. I'm not going to let you lose your brother, you know, because you don't have the money when I have it and I'm going to sit back and just watch on. No, that's not going to happen. I love you too much to let your brother die from that. You know, it's all right. You just, I'll go get it.
That's about 10,000, and this is some CDs. That's your amount.
Is this why you're serious?
Yeah, it's fine.
So I should take it?
Yes, I mean, this is more than what. Okay. It's fine. Thank you. It's okay.
Bless you.
Okay. I'd rather help. Once I have it, I will help. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's okay. That's why I'm here. Right?
Ofata, me madam we me frɛ wa boni bia ni me nche ye nya mpofre mu akwantu. Oh, enti ese ko. Na ija fi ha so nsa. Na akwasi se na me kan no. E be ka ono na wa. Ye tu kwa akwantu na ese ko ye kusiri. Na se de mra bobo so nti no. into me and Fakanko. I said, government transport. I said, just a man.
What one year? When of course I work with what die. We will be I audio. Sana also Japanina, a shamesa. Into a chiboko, now running and Casatre, and then no Sufi Harudo. Mintenekasana,
Miss Roya,
What is he saying? No, don't say that. Don't say that, please. Whatever belongs to my father belongs to me, not you. Okay? So don't say like that. Technically, whatever belongs to him belongs to me.
Please calm down.
Yeah, but why should he say like that? He shouldn't talk like that.
He's an elderly person.
Yeah,
so
but
don't talk to him like that.
Oh no, I mean, hey.
Oh, say what has. Yamanu who said a hesitate. The so called room, no your room for you. And to a Ghana memhan, or best would differ for many folk. And Yamanu who said a hesitate. So how do we be a media? Miss Madia be a audio. They're functional you free neck.
No. The thing is, if he says it like that, there's a different interpretation. I mean, I understand what he's trying to say, but he shouldn't say it like that because it means something different. My dad's property belongs to me, not you. Where are you from? It's me. I'm here. No. I understand, but he shouldn't talk like that.
Over, wait a minute. Yeah, no, I beg you. I say, Echo,
Matty.
Sanse, I say, for government transport. You to me, Adiasa, one day, and Yebeko. So they make a miss so down. Send me by tree. Oh, I don't know. Sound to one thing, it no. They say, the back. No, I did not if you is handed. I say, a brush. Why? You don't move from I, Timmy Row. What down? Moving from me to Muncassam. Opposite. Be a coffee, I'm a draughty. One another. Young Yaboko, man. And man, yet. You come. Opposite.
Now, Suba can't Tiffy and was a son. What's in Babano phone?
Me.
I
walk.
Me, I do the York Asante. What can it say?
No, be drunk.
Oh, Zamon, you will run. But Yama Mayam Pihapa. And then fed me and my Casusi. It's a winning now to us. Medical can't.
I've been watching you, very dicey, calculated kind of person that you are. I've been watching you. Gold digger.
Yes, we're going to him.
You think you're bringing that a kick mentality here? Whatever belongs to my father, please. I'm educated and grown. I'm not a child. I know my rights. Whatever you see here belongs to me. Get that right.
Me say, one by now, so what? Menu fear. Ah, we. Yada. Me say, Opa, Mamma, Salmon, and one more check. You
where you go run.
Okay. Mattia, Johnny.
Hello?
Yes, hello.
Hi. Yeah, this is Akyere. Who am I speaking with?
My name is Vicker.
Okay.
Well, please, I'm sorry to inform you that your parents are involved in a very fatal accident.
What? My parents are involved in an accident?
Yes.
Where are they now? What? No. Are you sure of what you're saying? No. 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 No.
Akwasi. Efra wanya bone. Esi efu na fire nka dem. Sese wo se woko. Bie no wetu ya mana bata ase subi. Na se de mama etie no. Papa yi ene wo papa no personal lawyer. Enso ba ha se oba na obekire ye de papa. Eye.
Well, I don't know him.
I
don't know him. Well, fine, but what I'm saying is my dad tells me everything. He never mentioned any personal lawyer because he didn't have one. And I don't know this gentleman's name. Well, I don't know. I'm just saying because my dad would have told me about it. I don't know him.
Well, if you don't believe it, here I read. This indenture is made and entered by Honorable Kweku, which I declare as follows. That due to the conduct and character of my son Akwesi, who behaves as a lunatic and has no respect for me as a biological father, I hereby bequeath all properties, both movable and unmovable, including all my houses in Accra, Kumasi, my cars, my personal belongings, including my clothing and dresses to Wafata. Absolutely.
This is nonsense. This is absolute rubbish. That's what it is. This here is not true. This is not my father's will. This is fake.
Ipa, don't tell me.
Well, you a liar because this is fake.
You call me a liar?
Yes, I call you a liar, and you know what? You just get out of my house, all right? Just get out of my house right now. I'm not gonna be mindful of my language. This is my house, and this shit is fake, all right? I get out of my house. I'm gonna call the police on you guys. I'm not listening to you. You from day one. You've always been a very funny person. You know what? Get out of my house. I don't know you. Who are you? Get out of my house. I'm gonna call the police on both of you. Get out. All right, I'm leaving. But this is not the end of it. Both of you, I won't doubt it that you killed my mother and my father. I'm moving. I'll be back. This is not the end of me, okay? Trust me, I'll be back.
Going somewhere?
None of your business. Come on.
Is there something wrong? Is there a problem?
As you can see, I'm going out with my friend.
Well, I can see that, but I was just coming to visit you.
Yes, it. And I'm telling you, as you can see, I'm going out with my friend, so you can go. Please. Efia, you know this outing is not that important. You need to stick to this guy. He loves you. Efia. TAKORADI, me no mo se mbefa wo yonko. Me no mo se mbefa yonko. Asem papa bi ani wa de ma me. Me nim de enti kwa me de wachi. Obi a ono watena ho, ama ne wofa, abegina japade nyina. Ama de ono bedie kura hwan de ama no. Na me meye de, me nso menya biadie. Ba bi a me kwa, me nya aduane adi no. Ehwo na me ko, me metra ni pamu mu wese ho.
Efia, the downfall of a man is not the end of his life, Efia. You need to calm down. Calm down with this guy. Stick to him. And you know the outing that we're going is not all that important. If you are.
And you're telling me, Asasa? Ah?
If you're not to was you.
And what's that, baby?
You're to was you. She be ye. Obeka semanka. Me pe was him until if you are.
It's meaning that she blown you, she won't. As someone can't do no day. Ah? And then you're telling me, Asasa, I will come. And was a sour dog. Meetings and meetings and ultimate.
Before my very eyes. Hey, is that how life is? Is this not the same Akyere that I help? I give over 30,000 Ghana cedis to. I think I'm dreaming.
What? So this is how life is. When things start to go bad, and everything just go bad, and just get worse before your very eyes, and there's nothing you can do about it. This is crazy.
That's the story of my life. That is how I ended up on the streets. And I met you. You took me in. And you've been good to me. So that is it. Yes, and Kito.
And simple question. Let's go bush your phone no more thing, Papa. Hey! Let's a even what my father Padina and ya two us our man. At what when he said you was a minion, Miss Rubin, a woman. And I said, make a salmon near. Come Miss Michelle can come in. See, Kakra what the behad our crown Puni be, and Ponya the obedi. And that is a bank account with the income maybe than woo.
Nothing did. Nothing did.
Now, dear Bapa, a shimmer son, a yes, healthy, ya, you see, and you know what to. And to know be bidder, and I know you say. Oh, when a man called for be sebi, a mobile problem, we are be 12 be so being tiasi. Some maybe pan of this I do a dimia. Only my friends you Antwa, a pomina mutia.
What is Antwa?
Antwa is one river, small river in one town. They call Antwa. Is Kumasi Pass, Ampet side song. But you call that river, you take egg. You take, hey, Antwa, you put your hands down, bra. The egg pittings. Someone, you die.
No. I don't. I'm not a ritualist. I don't do that. I don't believe in juju. I'm not going to kill anybody.
Yeah.
You know? I will bear it, and in my time, yes, in my time, okay. It shall be well.
You are continual poor.
I won't. Yes.
You are continual poor.
I'm not going to kill anybody.
I'll curse you. You are continual poor because you have money, but look at you. You are dressing, huh?
My time will come.
Your time.
God will punish them. I'm not going to kill anybody for money.
Okay. If you are switching the pan, now, then the crowd, they made a mission. They know, say, I did Asian Bima, not Bunpe, I shouldn't permanent Nako police station. I just so, but on no said, Mouse put it in that. Yako poached our no snow. The mission of Ocean.
Exactly.
Nipper being to me, Merawas. Can't what's a bear.
Nice one, yeah. Madam, yes, she, nice one. You like? Bra. Brony Wewu, nice one. Come check it out. Nice one.
Hey, Munini low, Namo Sunny High. Munini low, Namo Sunny High. Hey, why you pack business? Hey, pack business. Hey, pack business. Hey, post in here. Hey, boutique in here. Hey, go boutique where you are. Hey, champion.
Yes. Oh, nice one. Ade. Any insights? Charlie, check on. Nice one. Yes. This is correct one. Boutique selection. Nice one. Yes. Brony Wewu. Nice one.
Yeah, kasa de mi hia bi on.
Sir.
Mi hia bi na me o madam mi hia juma no na ladies in san capital my selection come and there for man.
Eh, but I get some you don't like these ones. Check them out. Nice.
Obetima o bi ho no ma obetima.
Oh, I did you.
Oh, Jaisa. Bob, I didn't. You won't spoil my business.
Munya
me I'm a customer.
Customer.
Yeah.
Roni.
Yes.
And you know said ka obetimi ya selection bi na.
Yes, I get some. I get some for. No. You did it down there. I will carry you go there. Some store there. Nice ones. Boutique selection.
You sure?
Correct one.
Okay.
Correct. Even right now, some days sees they count. Nice. I'll take you there.
Ready. Me thought I was telling you about. You pack me ba na me oko. Na
in your car.
Yeah.
Yo, Cobra.
All
right.
Cobra.
Me wa Cobra.
Oh,
I didn't.
What? You see who business you need
business are back. Yeah. Nice. Me business no. You get share. Since for waiting. Jai.
Now to me na me anya kabe business nice.
Yes. Yes, Sankwas.
Me who to dey smart Sankwas. Hey, Mumbai.
Yes. Nice one.
Ma. Ajo Osman me no. You nam kruma na me koshia branch na damfo na mo ton yo, ma na mfrem so mehwe bi. I'm here when I'm say, Maddy me heavy. Now I say, Maddy woman, I fe. Let me be signed so no be all. My mammy be any bedroom, no say I will be all. I'm sorry, anyone. I'm Cononco Yibi. I'm from Metro, and I say, be a new bedroom. Maybe I could deem it to cotton and mammy in the buy. So from Metro.
I'm a J.
Let me see.
Perhaps some here. Very nice selection. So yeah, first class. Here we, bye. Here we. Very nice, right? This one too is look at this top here. Polka dots, very nice. And I also have this top. This is a boutique selection. Yeah, really nice. Thank you. Nice. I have a lot more in the bag, and like I told you, I have more at the store. I can get you more.
In the customers,
She does want to know how you communicate with the customers. How do you make a sale?
I speak some tree.
So country
I speak a little bit. I'm Ghanaian. My ancestors are from Europe, England. Back in the day, my great grandfather, they came down to Ghana and mingled with the locals. And well, eventually over the years, here I am. And my mom married to an Akan guy. So yeah, I'm pure Ghanaian. Maybe, I don't know.
Na just me share say obi a say the usiti a witimi di force kita eton de enti say wani abire adwuma pa wani pere pa na police ne ne namu a se wo kala say ya obetimi adi force kita so wo to padwuma pa ya me hwe say wo si baba ne me ko ye me mobo hwe ene ma ni nyina ko kai na tuaka
Are you serious?
Kind of many Joe, where the many just so we hard work.
Thank you. Huh? Thank you, madam. Thank you. So yeah, I'll be bringing you more stuff whenever you need it. Just let me know. Yeah.
So the customer.
Right. So whenever you're ready, just let him know. I'll just bring it. Thank you, madam. Medasi, please. Thank you. Thank you.
Bye. Of you. We're not guy. Me too, me say pa, say Ghana ni be ma pa. E ba be see me pa me play. Never. Ghana from MM. Omuni bria tie. Omuni brisika. Ogo ko fani se si ya Ghana ni be ma. Hey. Wo bit defe wa no bo from we omuni biem. Ah, what is it one na no Touch and pan, no, so Bruni, many music. She, Bruni, no force of goodness, so what to him. Eh? Who will be Okitaka say, Kaksaka wapa, the same region, and so just a Bruni agree when I dream. Open on myself, we pose.
Then I did tell you about yesterday. Okay. The guy who took me to the that guy. Hey, easy. Osika. Papa. Too much more. Man, when you see the office, she asked me for the goods. I brought out the goods. Oh, she just looked at 1, 2, 3. Or say yeah.
Minute me to Gusnina, no man they call what fast. Oh my goodness, you are killing me, Sloughlin.
Bam. She bought everything.
Wow.
Money. I'm telling you.
The woman and then what me said to your worker.
She even paid for my transport. Mommy, dropping money.
What ton of money through? What did the engine now? They are winning. Was some dropping money?
I dropping, and then I said dropping me. Come on.
Uber for dropping.
When
you come from.
Chris.
It's hard to say, a year power. What's a guy who came with you when I met a friend by? So, okay, also to come so boss. Oh, him.
That's the guy. That's the guy. That's the guy.
Now, we best thing and so by linking my mamma. Ye qua, Shada Pajame, introduce me beg. Some me crack now, Minam Kofano Mano, Japan, Yada Deba. And I will be to be. They make out my into my many casa. Once your bag bears and nails and numerous woman, so a being yet. Nanky in Coutini, a man preco. I did we buy a, let's say, put the appreciate this guy near the eye.
Debbie.
I
can't remember them.
Nanka Wabadam.
At the Chris. Namia Ponchi. You did mad. You did mad. No, Debbie. I won't show her. No way. It's not possible. I'm not going to introduce her to you so you will go and scatter the place. Go and spoil everything with this your greedy life.
Akosi. And to the next year, Namo Crampon, who mean about who crass you?
Debbie. No.
Ah, me Quaco Sawase, baby, I did and say who.
No way. I will not introduce you to the woman. No. No. If you have nice goods, give me. I'll go and show it to the madam.
Because we connect some more 10 cities, I'll be 55.
For what?
Minimum.
For what?
For your thief side. Your thief side. By Nina say, that's how I'm
is my customer.
You are customer.
Yes.
But Mr. Sunami made introduction to that guy for you.
You didn't introduce. The guy was passing.
Passing. Me calling.
Yeah. So what? At the end of the day, he came. He bought my stuff and he took me to the woman.
Oh, where from me? We say a big deal. The ten say, I could see. In any pabako. Oh, I'm me. How they manage your customer. Nyamisu bayama menya de because we see casting. The woman. So the droppings cannot demand. But if you are not the watoka, amami. Na so we dey see say like baba so ya we so me be say me asem.
No, wait, I see where you are going with this, because you've seen my small money. You are talking about light bill.
Me nyu sika we nya ho
sika we saying
enye sika enye bia ba te fatua na water bill nso so hye ho oso betua atua ode ya utu twa we nyina wi anwana san mo bag koto half bilisi ho eno ano
bob sika we enye sika
me nka se kotem be bia customer wo
see
the show no what me ka say no
Debbie okay we what is it
Debbie
it's okay then it's okay
tua menye osoko so pa odi asema me ketra se wuntua obetu kra wo me that light me ka sem pana cho me tu nyam na me wo ma me wo papa na se wakonye sika ne tua wanya na se so wuntua me ha da na we when you see car, who jump now car no ma basa akire me twa so asa o de manu ko dive wo mresi ya me ko dive wo o de ma memra ehun ko tua ladbe no wan ka se metwa mo wada so to bia me bo de ahomete na so de free enam.
Jealousy will kill you.
I'm okay.
They came to me. Now you want their customer.
Sure. Mo ka obi na nipa bro. Me kama yeye dada nya wa. Mo sika kwa na me tua ladbe. Mo sika me tua dan sika. Wuti na me gete ko fom. When your customer introducing
why should I introduce her to you? For what?
You are not being in the castle.
You are selling Bruni well. I'm selling Bruni well. I found my customer. I should give her to you for what?
I found how many physical housing.
Madam, I brought the clothes. The driver told me that you wanted to see me, and I should I should bring some attire for you to have a look, and that's why I'm here. So should I show it to you?
Oh, what do you festival?
Festival. Okay.
Mia na me kan say who a on flow mame.
Okay.
Na Mia dana oba ha say no. Che say omu ye nwanwa. Na omu so ye manika. Na esese oba so ne edi nkomo. Fi se dia branti a omu ofa omu tua omu so. Na onfele ade. Na ohu say ade a me ton yi eye maniwu. Na so wonnim sadie da chi bia betimi aboa a wo ton fosu. Che say me hu no mani ajo no pa. In fact Krachi, ya dear pa, what it?
Thank you.
And now, just a woman to bro, was it? Me perceive a cushia, watch now, and you 8 o'clock. Yeshia Sunset Hotel.
Well,
when you be a
no, it's fine. It's okay. Except I'm the reserved type, you know. Me I'm pet. Cause here. Dabi.
That's a baby. I'm can hold yet. Basa.
No. So that is why I'm thinking. I don't know.
She men na me sponsor. Men na me say yes ya. Na ye hu kwa ye be fa so a waduma yem ni ade. So
I'm just also worried about, you know, your caliber. I mean, you are high class. You and I sitting down at one place.
No problem.
All right.
Money, how was it?
Well, then I guess one time it shouldn't harm me. That shouldn't be a problem. All right. So I'll try and be there tomorrow. I'll try.
Bra, mama dia bra. Na nia mama so fa koma me driver no. Mu chie ni nya kama wa ba meska.
Okay. And you sure it's going to fit you? The size? I know it's your size, but... Yeah? Okay, cool. All right, thank you.
You
sure? I'll try. I'll do my best. Well, I'll call the driver and tell him whether I will meet you there or I'll come. Thank you.
Welcome. Bye-bye.
Yeah, bye-bye.
Hey, no waha. Ena wonya customer. Okọ buy no obedi maame no ho adanse bebere kire me. Se maame no ye nipa, oye good, o sika. Ampame so megitum. Maame no do nipa wo pe wasem nti. O man sticker say, "Fabra na baabi a obetimi di abobia, o di advertise no meboa." Ena o di adi bebo. Nipa ba akopɛ oba besia hwe noma hodo a woye hwe oni kura ma hu so woni cream woni soap woni bitters or tablet a yes hanom kura kan company nsem so na meka eye 1 2 3 4 5 e kire se wo husika simple kura ne mu ba akopempo ene wo wa ya asam ketwa nipa bi se wo bekɔ no oho no ne nipa more than 200 ene otu omuka edu se nipa se wo husika nipa presi ebeba wo nchen ne abehwahwaw ba maame no kra no hwe a nye nipa nyina netimi kɔ nchen se ivi omponi kokodi nkomo and the application letter koto se on form adwuma ne wanya sa konya wi nyankopɔ do nti sebi yesi obo ne frɛ ne no obo ne boafo aka ho ane wanya ane odi wa masa maame na maame se bra when invite you to ne fie se bra na muni nkomo wo se wonko wo te ya mo ohiani ba wo ye cheches wo hiani ba wo ni kokoɔ wonko bra mesrew se betimi a kodem ho ko fatare fofo hye se we yanso na person de no kwa fako.
I won't go.
I won't go, say.
Look, I met the lady. I have seen her. Have you seen her? I have seen her. She's an old woman.
What is 70 years ago?
I don't care. I went to her, she talked, and she said, oh, I mean, eventually, if I now go there, all she's going to say is, oh, hell, I like you. I don't want that. I'm not interested. No.
Kwesi.
No.
Am I manager? Me managing your body, yo.
You are managing me.
Yes.
Since when?
From first day I'll meet you. And I'm manage you abesi satam say. Misro. Atopa de ye ni mu number. I didn't think sikebo pum now so wada.
I'm not going.
Hey, one who nipa baby I said you want that kind of boys na who some that come. She come me phone to chase come.
I don't care. I mean, have you seen the woman?
I don't see her.
Abruwa pa.
Yeah.
What am I doing with her?
Sabruwa no wa kono de kono ko solve man. Sabruwa no wa.
You're just greedy.
You me?
Yeah, greedy.
Every day you tell me I'm greedy.
Because you're always greedy. You just want to go and chop again. Greedy.
Akosi me ameka sem cho. Who so ye me bon sam. Wo ye koko 4% katisi so. Me me nam nyampa ya me bo ma nyina se. Nyame be wadom no nya chance nam so nya bia na me nya chance wo so nya bi. Me ka bibia me ka me papa ya onimu nan. Me ka me ni wocho a. Me na naboka so owu ya se bi me hu samada. O me som da ye pose loto no matution. Da. Seka wo.
I won't go.
Akosi se wa nkwa me do nyame o hata so se wo me ka bibia ka me bodu ya mo wawu.
I won't go.
Me bodu ya pa mo wawu. Ubeko.
I won't go.
Ubeko.
I won't go. Oh, stop! Why? Is it by force?
Hey, you force.
Yeah, force. I won't go. You go. What is this?
What is this? Who say what is this? Hey, make sure to have so no see. Who say what is this? Oh, who did catch him say
by force?
Who did basro? Who you me koko fo? Who ba na nko? What do I go? Me again. When you go be comfortable. Me yes me young.
Are you trying to cut me or something?
Yes. Go pesi kabla say.
The woman said I should come. I don't want to go.
Stop
it. Why you like that?
Who you me pon some power? Who you me pon some power? Stop. Let you power.
My betrayal was a woman. What you do?
Yeah, sorry.
What?
Yes, and the driver kept stopping along the way.
Fat trotro.
Yes.
That's so bad. And that's so bad. Near man me too. Nina, this can you want the befa dropping?
Oh.
Fat trotro say.
I needed to manage the money. You know, I didn't want to spend everything. I had to get myself a nice shirt. Yeah, and I want to save some of it. So that's why I took the trotro. I can't just spend all the money like that. You know what I mean? If I said, yeah, save it.
No problem. What dear? When you answer pow, and I'm quite winning quite a fast on pesca. And I'm quite so your boss can buy. Bibi say na me pena de na kame ho. Ni abobra na say whisker. Na Ghana for boys say wo winya wo so ni mu a. Wo betra wa yu sika no o man bra so yo nipa. Omodo o masa bonkum we odi we wo de di. Mo kwa. Enso me hwese de wo sitie. Hwe wo hu fefefe. Hwe wo tirinwi. Obroni adwi wo mu. Now, just say, oh, Jesus Christ. Bema say, be a me penal. It's a bit of Ghana, handy, I mean, Ghana for me, mo. In Pep Ghana, need Bema cry with my life. Me Pemon be say a Brunian fa, then I drew winning. Say, I will make me know a pop rubber come and say, oh. Here, one, eh? You're popular, what? Okay. Me pesa will come once
my story is very long. It's quite long.
Don't you make a kid too heavy?
Well, let's.
Who say comment? It's a fret, get no did your number. Waiter, me patch off a Diana and a bra, why not only the mommy? Cheers.
Yeah, cheers. To friendship.
Wow. You who Efia Kolia?
Efia, what are
you
doing to yourself? I'm not to win. What busa? Oh, come on.
Efia, what is it? Ella, baby.
No, didn't how? I'm not to what fancies you are. What is it? No, talk to us.
Efia.
Ella, you can't believe it. What is Alaji? What do you mean? Mamma, what? I don't know. How could you answer me?
And see, Alaji is in a what fine somewhere to our Why are they?
You can't believe it. Alaji, I promise you something, Miss Ka. The time I promise you something, Miss Kana, the wife of Mecca. Happy to.
Why is it that always your mind is on money? What is it? Huh?
No, wait.
What are you talking?
International open to that extent, say you have to go to that this thing, extra mile.
Ella, when you say Odwanka said me, if you're Kolia, me need that.
So I'm sure.
I mean money. Me yes, cash. I mean cash.
2% of this kind of amount.
Thank you.
Laja.
Thank you.
Sabeka.
What in penny kasa?
No Sabeka. In the first one, your best form.
Debbie. What she needs right now is Christ.
What is Christ?
You need Christ. You girls. You run things. You run things. And so you know, me quite sorry. I will overcome us. What it? Say me over to me was sorry them Sunday. One can say me. Say me proof for me. Na do we make chimasi baby.
Nyame fa no ball to ntemo. Even the Bible said he helped those who help themselves. Akoye no overcome us. Abi na ba nyakopon e be free abi ba so dem no abon pa ma na na di. Alaji scan abi na say dem. Sister, me do better baby.
Thank you.
Me do better na ho.
What a wow.
And if you are Hana,
that's why I love you.
Sorry, wait now.
Nana. I like Nana.
Sorry.
Me do better come me go do man hot. Try.
Hey, Nana, if you are Hana, me overcome over them. I go down to the bed. Sister, me do my fast too. Second, Nana did not beat you.
Hello, baby.
Hey, no style.
Tell me to Nana.
I will take you.
Thank you. You were nice.
Boy, time. Why you want to say we are? Still, who does it? That younger boy, yeah, one in Nambola, so to say. I mean, dear woman. Me brother has some now, okay. So, don't say that you didn't come out. You may catch her say, you pay beginning. She said, because I mean, pay beginning. Some of you be better now. Tito Kragana ni Bema. On the show, Papa. When the next scene, if it's no SF, what did the Subana Basadaka? Subana won't. With the way I cook all one area of calling the abo. No one pack of fat and another told us so. Yeah, a baker can would run a good timono. Hey, Mr. Madame for Benedia, bring him. I will too, I know I know the sister who name say. To make your gun for me, my dear, service have been previous. I mean, me pe broni akafa. Broni manaki to makuma. Broni manaka sempatch them. Broni. Share. Look at you. You are talking like a small kid. Who can satisfy Freebie? Look at you. kofa for bia just one also why penny mu I was done of one won't be the papa deal. Now when is a boy what person faculty can be sooner or you bukata. Oh, if your boy yet to once so who was cat. If you could wait shall sika and all person finance why be so a pendy won't say your crew my boy say cassa. Why is the talk? They move too much. No market calm and after us soon. And no person obey your bukata era. Shine your eyes. Eh? Shine your eyes. Open it widely. Until yes, that. We said a brony with you. No brony dream. What do you mean yet? Hey. Many one cry and they try to say, brony, my heart, give me boom. Meaning what plan and it ratting say, yeah, brony, my heart a Jimmy boom, 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 brony, my heart a Jimmy boom, boom, boom. Fine, you come and say, fine. What's up a brony and that's a guy and what's a brony? What's a baby soon? Baby soon. Who told you? She want it. Want it. Okay. What can profo correct? Makani ya chona sa so mfadia. Obido nyi obido. Wo do me no do so kodio odo. Fine. Na hwiye na daache wa mesu boom 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 yibroni. My heart aje mesu boom boom. Na makani ya cho. Bibi ano. Hu ade anya. Esemetepo.
I go.
Ame. Wow.
Hi, hello.
Oh, brother.
Madam Bonbon, hi.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Oh, no, please,
I'm okay, I'm comfortable. Fine.
I am feeling. Like I said, son, I want to make some. Please. Thank you.
Okay.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Well, Madam Mom, I got your message from a friend. He gave me your address and everything. And what I was made to understand that there was a problem. There was some emergency, and I was afraid maybe there was something wrong with Mrs. Yankson or yourself. Is there any problem? No emergency?
No emergency. It's not about Mrs. Yankson. I called you because of me.
Oh, okay. What is it? Madam. No, I'm not. It's just that I don't want to cause problems between you and your good friend. I'm trying to say something here, okay? I don't want to cause problems between you and your good friend. You guys are very good friends, and I'm already involved with her, and I can't get involved with you as well.
Stop it. You come and see Yankson. You come and know. Eh? Mrs. Yankson, I'm not being a young. Look at it. Look at me. Don't compare me. I didn't mean it. At 12, no food, no beer. deɛ no ho deɛ ma no ho koraa anya kɔ no ho ɔno sɛ wɔnte wɔ but me I can speak English small. I can mingle with you anyway.
It makes sense. It makes sense, but I'm a man of integrity. I mean, I can't do that.
I have everything. Remember, baby, I'm
it's not about the money. It's not about the money, and you know, I don't. Well, you know, I think I'm just.
Yes, this is a venture. So you know, tonight I'm a boy, and I saw be ready. Please.
Okay, I want to sit. I will sit. Look, I like your friend not because of what she can offer or what she's giving to me. She has a good heart. She's a good person. That's why I'm involved with her. Your offer is good, but
Stop it. Am I a bad person? No, that's what I'm telling you.
I'm not saying that.
I love you.
Yeah, but all I'm saying.
Just touch your face.
See.
Some boy. Time. Why you want to say we are? Still, who does it? That younger boy, yeah, one in Nambola, so to say. I mean, dear one. Me brother has some now, okay. So, don't say that you didn't come out. You may catch her say, you pay bidding. She said, because I mean, pay bidding. Some of you be better now. Tito Kragan and Ibema. Oh, so, Papa. One in that significance, SF, what in the Subana Basadaka? Subana won't. Would you why I cook all one of you are calling the abo? No one of fat and number 12 so. You know, a baker cannot would run a good Timono. Hey, Mr. Madame for Benedia, doing him. I will too, I know one will be sister. Who you say? To make your gun for me, my dear, seven previous. I mean, pet. Me pe broni akafa. Broni mana tutuma kuma. Broni mana ka sempa kire me. Broni. Share. Look at you. You are talking like a small kid. Oh. Who can satisfy Frebi? Oh. Look at you. Papa, you so. Who offer beer? For beer. Just one or so a penny moo. I want to know who I won't be for penny. Now when is a boy? What person faculty can be summer? Or you bukata? Oh, if your boy yet to handsome, so who was cat? If you could wait, shall sika. And all person finance a be so a pendy wall. Wouldn't say you come a boy say cassa. Why is they talk? They move too much. No market calm and a ton of soon. And no person obey your bukata and ra. Shine your eyes. Eh? Shine your eyes. Open it widely. Until yes, sir. You said a brony video, and a brony dream. What do you mean yet? Hey, many one cran and a dratching say, brony, my heart, you me boom. Many one cran and a dratching say, yeah, brony, my heart, a Jimmy boom, brony, my heart, a Jimmy boom. Fine. You come and say fine. What's up, Brony? And that's a guy and was a Brony. What you was a baby soon? Baby soon. Who told you? She want it. Want it. Okay. What can provoke correct? Makanya yachona also on fadia. Obido. And Odon so called you. Fine. Nashi na dachi, one mesu, boom, 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 ye brony, my heart, I did mesu, boom, boom. Madame Akyere, you know, what dear ya, a cemetery.
Is that us?
Coffee. They project in the hello.
Hi.
Mrs. Jackson.
Mommy. Let me say. No,
how did you find my house?
Oh, say, Obi a pena asem de baby wo bia wutimi chini ko hwe. Na musa mu kire mi say area mu ha na mo. Eti mi du ha na mbusa ha wase. Wo so nya yiraba.
Yes.
Is it black or corner?
Okay, man, I don't fast. You are quick fast. Oh,
welcome.
Thank you, manager.
Welcome.
Oh, welcome to.
Na me so me da mo se spa say me pray indot mo di bia bo ha.
Oh ma, ya di bia. You should tell you for crack ho.
Yeah, we just a little advert for you. Little promotion. We promote your product.
I know you could make a gem FM. My amako Tracy Cap Crama starting now.
Hey! Whoa! Yeah. The Pacho one and I watch your woman in the war.
Mammy, my free.
You must say. And yeah, me buy and so me be fam near P. And once I feel my point free to me, tell me coffee. I was a salmon. I'm a sermon. One resi. You pepper be papa bintra. So near to Trebby, near Hong Kong. Eh?
Oh, nice.
Oh, we have some work to
do. Mammy, the TN say. I'm a maniac. Oh, mention me pesa. If you cry, peer by boys, if you are one will be near the week, the basis of Mamma. But we all can say, be about Yakuma Modi Diamond. Said we'll be no one can say Kujame coin. Why? No problem. And you may never be famous to see you, Matty. And I'm one in time, wife. Matty, mammy. There's wrong with you. Strong with you to me for what? Me.
Cool. I'm not cool. Is it your friend?
Your friend
is my friend.
Yes, and the Mobis will be a movie. You make out myself. Me and be Kenya customer and I'm told them out.
Even if I will go, you won't follow me. If I will go, you won't follow me.
Hey, what's what the when some say?
Why? Why are you like that? When it's food, ham, sika, ham. I say you will never say no. No, you can't say no. Everything, yum. Why? I won't go.
You are my cocoa. I'll make sure. I'll spray you to a boboya. Those with the boboyas. I was saying, me who be that. Baby, my hand and coffee could be a revo. Yet, then now they come to me so come to me. I have a be accessory. I could drop on you, cigarette, so I can baby. What say you? Minion. Ye baby did you who know what they drink cake. And Mupo in Jemmy, I'm for Kuani. Ah, I come the one kind of prayer. But any part of mammy come to one waka. Yes, obey a hunter will be to mark me what watch it. What 20 hours I am. It's me a fast for this. I'm not a man. I'm not.
Raji, and depends on whom we are about. Now, person good and you must say, I'm a
good and master. We will cushion your mission. It is a problem here.
Oh, Nassau so near. Maybe I may take a ram and come on, you dinner, a serious thing. Oh, may I take away, come on. I can drink in any my name a good one.
We any bow.
And now Nina
Sebi. No say, baby, mamma, near ma. So that didn't say, minimum. Mammy, minimum. Then I'm sponsor BBA. And this will be a year up to your puno. You made it, you met try baby say, because he be did that. Yes, and Yamia, don't mammy, we will play to have a board. That's all. What means I'm more tabapa. So we have so much, or the tongue, but a show. But a papa. I mean, what? Hey, play many.
Yes, Mrs.
Somebody else in it. Say, you all want to say, if I say you're worried.
I put in the true one, as I say.
I said, I'm kind of true.
Papa, ma'am, young fire soon, because I'm tietty, Miss Snow. I'm a twat, I didn't want to neighbor. Many what damn Miss Snow. Be Pia would you here be and catch them. A pen was him. Sebio, senor, no crap open on high, but I did the other day. Would you be the opposite could be a can? Me, Tietty, don't tear me down. Ah, I'm talk to somebody, but you are stamping me. Why? Yeah, the leg is the look at you come and with my cotton juice. Why? Ah,
say, you're not saying in your home, America criminal. Or say, like you say now, like father for an side, and they are not take a crown so. Wow. And I said, yes, you're drunk, so you need. So when you young collab, see, look, I said,
any do. As a cry, what kind of trauma? Manu, nice and I am the passion. That's Mary, Miss Sound. Only problem cry. Sebi and Embriaso. Now, Mahoso. The old Mrs. Yeo for Kweku who said it.
Also, Mr. Quantren.
Senator Obani, you pregale one can say any. Shanshanko, housing.
The people are saying, Obu, dear.
Send a person. And you are Japan wedding. I'm so careful. I don't say. What? The more inch.
She's asking me, can I talk?
I'm secretary.
Self-contained.
Hey, Mamma, Pacha, 3 bedrooms. If I do a bit much location, no man starting call. Say you have a self-control flat.
I understand you.
You understand?
I understand you.
But I will speak actual to you, you know? Mommy, you have fresh cream. What is the job?
Coming, the man was going to Tony and Mammy Sissy.
Mammy, what go? No, maybe bring you here. The PS2. Are you like it?
When is she on?
She didn't. But that's back in here. Still good to go with you.
You better make them.
Number 2, make my water more to me.
Oh, what's the problem?
And the American shop is just okay.
Mrs. Jackson, I think we just have to slow down.
Kosi. And then Miss Show, would the neck casa be being another cannon? You see a drew a bedroom, a yatsama. We are me, madam, and I'm also me, you are down. Sebi. Se Kosi, would you know, so ye ya me, may. South na Miss Ye Yausway. A woman now go wrong. Yanko Pompa and away Yina my say, Sebi, Yenny or Faron, some quasum. But my many 2 mammas, or Baby Yeffrey, and serve him the Akobosha assassins. Mamma, they say they fine one and auntie, Nada. But some mamma castle opewa, and no pursue a wallowa. Messero. Meaning that I said, we are the old mamma, Bakusi. Say, but Sebio Bibi and say, yeah, be bring ye. I was so cow, you have money. Or papa, so scar, no choose about person one. But so when you car, now the man to see, Sebi, we know about type of pen, we nyata. Which what about? So to our personal camera, you were my friend warm. And I will feel so you were my from, and our hand as so you were my from. When I'm from Suswa, you were my from. Miss Sido, your wife in your water. Your wife in your Nissika Sebi, the Nissika Mudi Offin, and the Nissika Dabolasso. Kofa, would your water and a mamma cake? Would you want New Year? Me, you bet poor buy your flesh upon and what they know to baby. The mamma dear, so your ginity. Hello?
See, I don't know why you are making this thing look so simple. And you're simple, look. And you're toughy. I'm going to marry this lady. Do you know what it's going to take? Spending the rest of my life with this old woman. My whole life. It's a big deal. What? It's not only about the money. Their feelings. I don't feel for the old lady. What am I doing with her?
Baby, Kataniti. A family de Hakono, you soon as I forget to be a blah when you see you up and walk with trouble. Forget it. Oh dear, Macadi Yatro. Sebi, painful seeing an cranny to Tunkran. Koda, Neda Usiniasu. Now the asma making, shall watch that year for me. Any baby a day, like be quiet to tree. Now they for whom I blame. Themselves will not mad in Chenson, knowing your my papa be the blame. The Kodajano home. Yamaka no muda ho. I've heard. And 2 days kwadwene ho mami. Why? I want you see papa bia obakotena brochire. Asa, that you know ho. Mega fire yogurt. Other things ni na McDonald's no other thing na beto to be edi. Hey boga. Hey mom ho friend ya mo hayo me kama tears so that gazatem ze akaties.
Broni.
Yes,
now what to say?
Sisi Accra na many Kofobi meeting.
Okay.
So I be assign. It's kaya be kofi Accra.
Really?
Now they be or cancel.
Well, Mrs. Yankson, I've been doing some thinking, you know, concerning your expression. You remember what you told me that you would be interested in us being together, and I've been giving it some thought. Thing is, that day I didn't say anything because I was very dumbfounded. I mean, looking at a lady of your caliber and me together, I wasn't even sure what to say, but I've given it some thought, and that's why I came here to tell you that I'm giving it some serious consideration.
You don't want him. Maybe may say, "Oh, buy you cry." I'm feeling so can be actually say, "No, what punish?"
Oh,
so, Mister, me damn now. Obroni, me damn na, me damn just a me dream once between some pass with dream once just a me pill, me draw, me possum. It's in Pomodia dream. Let's say, me I mean free. You cried and I make me feel say beer. Cabin here can be.
Oh yeah. It's good that you brought it up. I was going to mention something like that to you. That I might just need some money to, you know, buy me some new clothes, and because if I'm working with a lady like you, I know you're gonna look very fly. I don't want to look wretched walking behind you. So, and then my friend too, he's paying all the bills, the water, electricity, and the rent. So I was thinking maybe if you give me some little money to help me support him, you know, that's all. That's my only request.
Okay, Mate. Come in because you're not buying tea. Why?
Okay.
My poor crap.
Okay. Cecilia. All right.
Everybody my papa skin hard before.
Yeah, boss me patcho. What do you want out? She mean me any medin mama and some akasa. Me patcho me ocean and to you free. On you be also free. Me that's it. Nothing no say full and na on sebuloni nso
buni de oyasebuloni
koyasebuloni na Black America say have cash nso so e
so obi oyasebuloni de so oya be have cash
na so what no post no class oyasebuloni na so me nua yi wuro no ho serewa no kwasem owura be ho no ho nya akọ no se
oh
When never nyina baby akono ne de wahu ene nanim. Se minim sebi usike so awasem so baby aye da. Na me kala we no sebi me wo abonten da no me wo adom me body ne we kala de da abonten. But ono no de no ntimi mfesi. Ana se body no me hu kotwa. Stress mass no ma bebre ne gu no ho sebi. So wo mu sisi ya wega. Na ye twem na ye hu se somebody so na me madam for nimpo obi am don me kokofo that make me ate me nim ho abro na madu obi abro ade na me mfa na mewura ham na sabi sika kakra o me botom no me mfa ntua manam o massage no ana mo fa ni wura ba bi ma ne ho nto no yesi wo ma de oben wo anya wo besia bo kwa chiri enti me de ne ba ya me na me bebo saa aka no me na me bebo saa aka no se mo nya ne massage no me bia wo mu bia ne anko Mr. Mihu pictures. And what's the matter by?
You, my papa first skin here, money problem. A crime be a person, my one be a man who are 20 be a fashion. Now I make it to a business so pucha stretch mass, then so bend in my tum Nina, because see a amateur say, this skin also be tomato so. I will be a who knows Ampa, Brunin and putting away in a dim. Bit my one.
I am watching it. I dear, I am content. Me making about how quiet you answer. Me physically rich woman here. It is more time my brother. But me so say be me trans man ho no on fan kosen because me go for me be di no. Ye pese ye fast. Na ka wotimi sense na even ye na koma ma me no. Okay. So what they making what is?
Doctor, thank you very much. I've heard what you said, and I will appreciate very much if you're able to transform me like you said. I'm willing, I'm ready. So what do I do next?
Okay, first I'll take you to lab to examine your system, your body and the blood, and later, or the next process is taking you to the machine room and then start the treatment. That's all.
How much?
Oh, it's not too much.
Not too much.
It's not too much, yeah.
How many days?
Oh, about 3-4 days, everything will be okay.
About 3 days, 4 days. Let's start going to machine. I will start for you. Yeah. Okay. Nice. I will take the aspect for you, eh? This is the flowers. Yeah.
I'm not go shy, I'm not go quit.
Hey, Madam Bonbon. Yes, yes. She. I don't know one. Batman no aminya no a o ka kire me say wey boy bema bema say
Bruni pete na
bruni say what kan say bruni pete we see what say nfura ni ni what say wo mo sese sika no ada wawu ana bema wo tututu no ho pasa sasa bema we force gugugu ni nsa so basai just so na o pekura say bema no kra wo na say obodam adwini ho hwe mame so ba se wo na da hwe say it me fa de o bola so chensen mo wo ho kama mo be didi na yi wa ye kama papa
do ya sa ko dinaji
na mi jana man ko kra ka be ha
sisi ase wo ya kese force sensen no ho a wa to bro no wa wo kro no ho ba saye no no pete we me ko de no wo ya me tai kwa ti bia you truka sa child for ya papa mo fi o kro mo na nam kwa
no me so be ko hwe me sin na de wo me so hwe na wo hu pre no ko mi pre no hwe hello
So hello hi hey thank you
sorry.
Everything is fine. It's good.
Yeah. I'm not be on how. No be cramming a day.
Oh, yeah, I'm fine.
But no, me maybe be no.
It's good. No, I'm fine. I'm not hungry.
Oh, what's the be on Tommy?
I'm fine. I'm good.
Madam Bonbon, mini penny here. Why are you doing?
Hello.
Hello. You're welcome.
Thank you. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. How are you?
I'm good. Thank you.
Why you from Papa?
Thank you.
Why you from today? Why you from
Thank you.
Yes. Excuse me.
Oh, my friend has said lots of good things about you. Yes. Oh no, I'm fine. Oh, I said I was just passing by as a quick one, so I will come back later. Yeah, it's a quick one. I'll call you. I'll be back soon.
Madam Bombo,
Oh, it's okay. Usually your friend is here, so later.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Mommy, I didn't know. Hey, I didn't know Chichi. Hey, you say I'm going to see your mother, Mommy. Let this out myself. It was wonderful. Yeah, you say, Mini, I don't know. Oh, I know woman must. Woman must win. And if you will see young woman, it's only Bevan I will turn on. Why you come up the same dress? What was Say, so what for beer? What for beer? On one at Jesse and home, our dress yet doesn't be show. No, it wouldn't enough. No one will be a dear here now, will be a dear, no fun of washing. Oh, yes, I'm washing you, and not Mamma, and I'm right on my balance. Oh, my lady. Oh, Debbie, we're not doing the same Brunino. Brunino will see you, wait, check. We need a power there to meet him. Was one called that, will be to be his side. I'm on fire. What's in the
I go.
Ame. Wow.
Hi, hello.
Oh, brother.
Madam Bonbon, hi.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Oh, no, Debbie. Please, join.
I'm okay. I'm comfortable. I'm fine.
I am feeling it. Maybe I'm a cassette. I want to have better. Please. Beg you. Come and sit here.
Okay.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Well, Madam Mom, I got your message from a friend. He gave me your address and everything. And what I was made to understand that there was a problem. There was some emergency, and I was afraid maybe there was something wrong with Mrs. Yankson or yourself. Is there any problem? No emergency?
No emergency. It's not about Mrs. Yankson. I called you all because of me.
Oh, okay. What is it?
No, sit down, please. Sit down, really.
Okay. See, madam. No, I'm not. It's just that I don't want to cause problems between you and your good friend. I'm trying to say something here, okay? I don't want to cause problems between you and your good friend. You guys are very good friends, and I'm already involved with
with her, and I can't get involved with you as well.
Stop it. You come and see youngs and Sylvia. You come and know, see, I know, eh? Mrs. Youngson, I'm not being the yakon. Look at it, and look at me. If I don't compare me, again a minute, at 12 for no for me would be heavy. Eh? Dear no, the man who cry and yakon on more than someone to go. Let me, I can speak English. Small. I can mingle with you anyway. I can collaborate with you.
It makes sense, but I'm a man of integrity. I mean, I can't do that.
I have everything. Dear Mama Baby, I'm a movie. Dear enemy. Eh? This canon or the Mawa, my dog.
It's not about the money. It's not about the money, and you know, I don't.
I like you, son. Don't do that.
Well, you know, I think I'm just.
Yes, this is a venture. So when you know tonight, I'm a book, and I saw be with me. Please.
Oh, no. Okay, I want to sit. I'll sit.
Don't be with me. Okay. Then do what I say.
Look, I like your friend not because of what she can offer or what she's giving to me. She has a good heart. She's a good person. That's why I'm involved with her. Your offer is good, but I'm sorry.
Oh, stop that. Am I a bad person?
No, I'm not saying that. Eh? I'm not saying that.
I love you.
Yeah, but all I'm saying.
Just touch me. Yes.
See, why are you so strong like that? Okay, let me sit down. Okay, I want to sit down. I like your friend not because of what she's offering me, alright? She's a good person, that's all. I'm not saying so, you know. I have to go, please. God. Please stop it. I don't like this. What is it?
Let me see it. I see. You can fuck up with me. As the saying goes, if you try and fail, don't ever give up. I'll try another time, and I'll make sure I'll succeed. Yes. Mind be hungry. Grace, I will deal with you.
I know one day will be my day.
See, Bob Siga. I wanted to tell you about when I went to what's this lady's name? Madame Bombo.
Oh, Madame Bombo.
Right.
Oh my goodness.
I went to her house.
You see the bottoms? Oh my goodness. It's nice. Look at the one lady bottom half side and half side. It wouldn't mean up.
Can I explain the story?
Yeah, continue.
Madame Bombo invited me to her house.
The house?
Yes. I got there and she's telling me how she loves me. She wants me to sleep with her and trying to force me. I'm like, what?
Hey! You have vision. You have lady vision.
I'm like, I can't.
For what?
I don't fit.
You not fit? Are you Asian? Or Asamoah? That new player you call him Akosiapia Bloni?
Everything you just joke with it.
What joke? Say you not fit. Somebody inviting you in the house. Just you can't do it. Say it not fit.
I can't.
I can't say.
Because I'm going out with her friend. With Mrs. Yankson. How can I go out with Madame Bom Bom and Mrs. Yankson at the same time?
Masa, I'm in Kweku. Kosibroni. Me kabi bi achiro. Nyame achewade ese wo ye hu pipi. Kosi, aye fast. You fast, think fast. One kase ne netwa se wo ne nadamfo ne nam. Ano no asa invite wo ne fie se bra. Nyame di atom bi da atom.
No, that's called temptation.
Let me temptation.
Temptation, I just have to say no.
Are you a Jacob?
No, I'm not Jacob, but I'm supposed to say no.
Somebody's calling you in the house. Won't see any pet, onion fee. When in a damn fool call out to some more kowade. Fine. And also a floor sound in the tempera. It's just as simple. Tinsikadi.
You're just greedy.
Greedy for what?
You are greedy.
You too greedy.
I'm not greedy.
Yes.
If I were, I would have been going out with both of them. I'm not greedy. You're the greedy one.
You are greedy because you're taking your topper greedy from somebody. You need you. Because see, some pan and yanko poor boy we as a front or bomb me. So what? Everybody come you smart match a day.
Yeah, that's why you are not me.
Huh? From today, I'm going to change my house. I'm telling you the truth. I'll beat myself. Remember, I said, Micho, Nipa, remember, I Madame Bombomba, even me to say, Pokra will run him, put him in an issue in Pamipe. But in the coming and a cake of crana, but come about to him. The idea me to say, ye, what a crucity or transfer. Hey, oh, no, ma. So one call you Maria, could be chance, why do you say? So one Casas Monchan could be as if you miss what a dining wood. Men want to cause over that then. Massa, see, Cabo water. What's the meaning of this?
You're greedy.
Me, you are greedy.
I'm not greedy.
You are greedy.
If I were, I would have been going out with both of them. You're the greedy one.
Somebody need your to you are trying this. You are greedy. And if you're Ate. Massa, come back in the party.
I know one day will be my day. I don't go stop, I don't go shine, I don't go quit. I go do my best, go do my best. Menina, my conscience you come on me, beer, or this cat me, what you would get me. Or so me, oh, Yanum, Menkwana Mensai, Senkwana Mensai, Second Tautus, Chicken Tautus, Pony Chicken Tautus, Chicken Tautus, everywhere I go, everywhere I go, everywhere I go, everywhere I go.
Graduate. Just say, before a year one day a day. Eh? My young one dear. Just say, it's a Asante say ye to me, Asante say, why you to me? No, so young one will free them more babada. I have so a year, I have a bedroom. I have a sitting room. Eh? Are you sleep sitting room? Why? Now, what I hear? Say, Shabin son, the show, son. Eh? You worry a day. Eh? Say, you worry, you just say, me, you could know, so you remember me. Eh? Now, feel so the more papa da. I have to so whole ban what's my hand. Huh? When I was young. Yeah. We have fun. Oh, that's not when you shit.
It's my stomach inside. How can you touch it? Oh,
Get up and let's go. Oh, hold on. Oh, I love you, Mindy.
Oh.
I love you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I said I'm not feeling well.
Oh.
Oh. Wait, I don't know what you're saying. Oh, wait. So this I marry a couple. Hey, wait.
I don't want to know.
Chen. Listen, me, Yario. I ain't. God. Life is this. Listen. Oh. Hey.
Hold me.
Bob Cigar.
Yeah.
Look at the house. TSMB. We are down for power.
Okay.
And because of that, I want to offer something to you.
Offer something to me?
Yes.
Okay, I'm so ready for offer.
Look at the house. You didn't see him?
Yeah, I'm a company. I'm say, baby, I'm smooth. Come up.
Okay. Because of the good advice that you give to me, me, I'm enjoying today.
Okay.
I'm with Mrs. Yankson. I'm eating good food. I'm putting on body.
Yeah.
I look fresh.
Yeah.
Enjoying money.
I told you.
Because of you.
Yeah.
And I cannot enjoy everything and leave you alone. Oh, because it's because of you. Okay. So I want you to stay here. I've rented this apartment for you. Yes, it's for you. I paid for it 1 year flat.
1 year flat?
For you.
Oh my goodness, you are killing me softly.
Fridge, furniture,
inside,
everything for you.
Wow.
Because of you, I am what I am today.
Yes.
And I want to thank you. I'm
so, oh, Sadam for Pebby. Oh, Medas, what? When you dear me, that's a flat screen. Oh, flat screen.
It's flat screen.
Flat screen.
Flat screen, yeah,
oh, when you're Mishawati. So was one of the enemy. If you see them too for Nafasia, then I humble to myself because no be smooth. A biasa wunye be. Then we're behind the money. No money woman.
You're a good friend.
That be what mad your ben one qua and our nya will be seen about quite. This year, no, out for me, no, I don't have any problem.
You don't have problem?
Yeah.
For as long as I'm here, what's your problem?
Oh my goodness.
Let me show you
go.
inside.
Okay, let me go and watch.
Buy me catch you say any man. Fabi Breko. So on about to papa so. Yeah, no see for more. Hi. Okay, next week, be do on not say be I ready. Okay. Yeah, bye. Hello. Then when you my and then how? Hey, are they BBS now? Are they? Why?
You know what? I think I deserve more. I deserve more than what I'm getting right now. Why? Because I'm not your employee. I don't work for you. I'm your husband. That's what I am. So I don't see why I shouldn't be the husband. Why shouldn't I play the husband role? And when I need 1 CD, I have to come to you. When I need 5 CDs, I have to come to you. And you have to write a check for me. I mean, what is all this? I'm the husband. I'm the head of this family, and I believe I'm supposed to be in charge of
of the family's property, the family's wealth. Why am I not in control of it? And I have to be your boy all the time. I'm tired of being your boy. I think I deserve more than this.
You deserve more.
Yeah.
Ura, a dinner here. Utu odo, and how pam, non pam. Won't tatare, when you say, Mia, I'm sponsor. I didn't know how. And I never saw me no one soon a boy brown. I brabon never known a boy. And ya ye japadi. So, Minimicum and a bobra and a wabbit or so. Tibbing ya japadi and family. I don't know what fear the way here be at the mouth.
Okay.
So, I won't say we a bear, and so will now be a weird tree, will feel. Now, so weird tree. To be Pierre, some winner would try. Eh?
Okay, fine. I understand you. But then you should be ready for the worst. Be ready for a divorce. Because if I cannot be the head of the family as it is, then what am I doing here? I'm not going to be your boy for you to be sending me around like a messenger. I'm not going to do it. So, well, get ready for the worst then.
What you have from so?
I'm leaving. Deal with it.
You
don't want me to be the head of the family. You want to be there. You want to wear the pants. Wear the pants then.
Oh, I fed them a bread. Hey, me never go Juma with Brian Bread Pants and Saka Company. Say, come on, a year, how much I actually. I would be an time, it's so hard. Where's my Ben? Who pow? A Ben who papa. To obey call, I will be about Quagiana.
Bob Siga, I don't know, Chessa. I don't. Oh, that's Accra. Oh. Why? How long does it take to come from inside out here? No, I don't like what is going on. I have a problem already.
Now what problem? What problem now?
No, stop all that you're plenty talking. I don't have patience.
Oh, patience also Nigeria.
Look. Bob Siga, you told me to go and tell Mrs. Youngson to give me all her property. The house, the business, put everything in my name. I'm okay with that. But I'm saying if it doesn't work, if it backfires. No, well, let me finish. If it backfires and she doesn't give me these things and I go back to rags, go back to selling OBRONI wewu, you won't believe what I will do.
Oh, Akosi, me advice be no amadiamawa ya fili. Said before me proof, no, me set them bottom pie. Now I did the stamp position my.
You pray?
Yes.
For the woman to give me the thing?
Yeah. Before the robbers take the gun out, you play before. Be as one more umpire rade or see you, Missa, or the Mamaye. Ye mum will be an acasabinta. Massa, nya betray, because my wakuma mother from. Sebi, me no nothing now. Dear me advise be am piano, a quote true. But true for an answer, ya plan to be a failure. Woman, who feel what they say. Just 1 week.
It's been 1 week.
1 week?
Yeah, but how long should I wait? I'm already worried.
Wait for 2 weeks.
2 weeks?
Yes.
2 weeks.
Just 2 weeks.
Then we should forget it.
No.
Because if 2 weeks comes, that means it's done.
Not be done.
It's finished. Oh. She's not going to call me in 2 weeks.
What finish?
Look, 2 weeks is a long time to wait already. And I'm telling you, if this thing doesn't happen, I will kill you.
No.
I will kill you.
Don't kill me right now.
Yes, I will kill you.
Listen to me carefully. Akosi, once you see Accra, 1 week, wow, yeah, Bemampono. Also, what it? Also, you are high.
Yes.
You are high.
Yes, I'm worried.
Yeah, you
and
are.
I'm very impatient.
Yes. That lie, the woman so patient. Samson, I'm also the same thing.
How do you know?
I'm have vision.
You have vision?
Yes.
Are you a prophet?
No, but Unim, let me tell you something. You are man, oh. You are man. Don't write the things. Eh? Woman need the set time because I've been dance to the action for 1 week. Near 2 weeks time. So no I I'm a flower, me and Casano. Metu to Manama go to that woman house. Send me baby see him kiss nursing. I no.
Okay, fine.
I'm saying if 2 weeks comes and she doesn't call me back to say, oh, Akwesi, come and collect this thing, it will not be funny. I will not be laughing. Okay? 2 weeks. If it doesn't happen, I'm telling you, it will not be good for you.
Me?
You are the one who told me these things because I know I will kill you.
You kill me?
Yes.
My ghost will change
I will kill you and kill your ghost.
Hey,
yes.
Akwesi, don't try my ghost. If I kill me, I don't have any problem. But you try my ghost, you are suffer. I will peer you in the ghost side. Wonderful. Who they are white? Fine, I bluff they can be at my mountain wasi. Me about react. Don't rush. Put your hands down. I'm no God is he can do. I already buy your water. I will with you shake. What could yama penny way? Yaxing, ointment, I will treat you be a witchina one answer. Usro. That's how crampono, I won't track yourself to the bed. Now, make your body say you me to eat with the munya kabaku pesekim, my wardrobe. Before guessing now with me, Bemem, yet the cup of in front 1 week, and I'm in your flat. I do cry over, bomb him, Tim. Oh,
do it there, what? You do be a hey, Obroni. My name is no Obroni, Bayame. Obroni will be the cancer on our baby. Say, yeah, come in, you need that. The park, I mean, you need that. Obroni, pa, baby, say. Hey. What a shit, man. What a man. Hey, Bruni. See, no, what's here. See, pan, and now what's here. You could be proud of me. Hey. If you are seeing me dead. If you are seeing me dead. Ah. Come back.
Christiana Awuni Obroni ma o hwen sasa ma me ade. Ukofa Obroni ba fie na me kan asepcha. Me so wantie. Abrantie bɛn no te sɛ me a oba be di wachi sɛ odonti. Enye osika ana sɛ ejapade a Mr. Jackson ja wachi a. Edi nti no di wachi.
Ose. Me fa ejapade wo nyina fa ma me fa tu ne dine so. Nkrata me fa ne dine ko nkrata ne nyina emu. No no meye manager e wo fia. Onye fia ha ne chi.
Bibi hana ajo. Sa Obroni no he is sick in the head. Na dream.
Shime. Madam for no ko. When you home.
Be no say o fie kra o nchen wa.
Hey, ejo ni o fie.
O mi hu. Unti na o ka wi kra me kan.
Oh, my lord. Free akọ.
Bien ici, comme il me madame from the said we do what as a factory. Oh, si so nchi oba ta sefoda.
Me say, what catch them say? Company no. Na adwuma na me da no. Me fa wo no nto ano. No emeye adwuma ni tiri. Na wo ntimi ntina fi ase be ma wa ware na wo sori na otifie na me me yoba na ekọ eba. No si fiesa no aye tobi sa ana se da bi adwuma na mia na me nya ya me kundia na hwe mo kura abusuafo kura na me prepa na court na ji adwuma yi ma me ti me yesa me de me udi ne koto so a e bi kwa na da che nso so no akwa akodi me nwemo ti me so ndo want na fie na me bia ka me sponsor the sa
okay go kan aye the okay say aye pass wa frame na wo susu ho ache so one penyan se ni bi a na adwuma to a as me walking or be kind of troka.
Go back or send a cry.
But I mean, can be said your walker, my do what to cause we penny, why do you say penny? Ain't me message up a dear said, look no echo jow honor. Would you cobble atokre? And I said, Odokobo, Odiko Diagro, and make a what must. Put me Fanco Bema, let's say Bema could disappoint.
No, any day.
You clap it, baby, because I said, here with Jimmy and I. No, I did not miss I don't see Madame from the camera and the eye in any. When in young country. What's a mawale? They make what must. The bush on the side and side me in Abishia, and a macabom sour. Or body, you sit your bar or tutua. Actually, be madam. About to two, name or turn to do. You can't say trade, it's any bema. About when you were young, you could. Such now, a cruising when young here. So let me tell you, this is all the one no quiet, said the hour, need dinka. A dinka can now the question say, wait, I am in Bikunudia. No, be it in one not manage company now. Be madam for no one is unlocked with home. Sir, lock madam for no baby. I'm not sure about it. We are not in a mass. One, Madame for me, Blue. What's a baby crowd can say? We shall not do a dent to man. And to say a near before the
Brony, you are anymore. When we were young, what you do, that you say you be.
Yes, of course. But as I saw, what you say, Mammy. Here, Madame for the fancy or not to me. Let's say, Yamia, to know about host you, and also what take you company. No, near shard, dear. We had the NBC. Because our idea no future work. Ghana, why are dear Kurano? I just saw the Krufu din to so. Yes, I am talk. I dear Bakupe, a Yoko bottom, and yet me I can say made in Ghana, apart from no asa. But on the host, and that's on the handle company now. And you be a Koboko meeting. Oh, baby. If you back at us only at Maria Bacassa and the Bacassa for people such as way Ramla, and why dinner was. The dinner soon to meet you are, want to mean Costa de Open. Na mammy had a beer. Yaxon a dream to see a drew 2 or some yadiati. Na Bruni wouldn't I yet fancy container no and our bottom would the Bruni pitcher. I don't know. Na Bruni wouldn't fancy call or down when you say, by minister, the Mr. Watmasi. That's no crown or some him. I sure be a better for yeah. Assassin, yeah. They give you that moral. Only say, oh, guess who could choose Camano? Because I advocate case, see a warrior, a continent.
Never to know about Mamma of Bronies or my advert.
Ghana was a sub of finding an advert.
Wow!
Man, is
a Capra. Any opportunity, many opportunities.
Opportunity. This is the case. Yes. That's that's why you be a man could be now. Why? Again, who will take away you know what? Now, I try fast and I'm the key. You never go ahead with that. Martin, oh, there's a better with you, know. Where's our song? Papa, Cosi, Monty, and I'm the one. See my quiet and tell Mamma to me and my papa. Akwe Munia, Akweba, Bibia, cause baby, my age as I am. I'm solving everything. Problem is come, me solve it. Everything. Na, ja, I'm lucky to be no Casabi. Na Anche, na my name so, a friend say me nephew, or a being common. Now before that, na me name say, class and me a peer free. I'm about to say, na, what to be high now, what it at for me, my heart is blocked because I'm so thinking, say, you are singing in the house. Who is coming? Chichore. Ubienbo. It's not Hamepa. Now the two men, who mammy who say, me, they are two and say, Sebi, or per se, the Obiano, who didn't nay. And pa, so once I miss me too full. Say, or bad the old idea, a yebema dear. Some Miss Mo Walim or Wuna better to Montemodia, or we are say Japadi at the coin. Yet the coin fan. Or buy him my friend in order to my name say, we need in common about properties, home, papers. Say you are needed. You have papers, or you take your name in papers front. But no woman also to children who crack to a friend of the 2 men, and Miss Me or Mamma, Quama, Miss Mitchell, my can say, fine. Bema dear, so I can defer a many do command on cry and rouse and let your friend say, dear, may all kind only them before son. If no one's empathy, I can in. And to people in the Nina or Costa Tia will change into dim.
I don't know what the hell. Let me wear the trousers. You fast skirt.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
But at the end of the day, it's all okay. Be able Yeah.
We okay.
It's fine.
Oh,
it's
nice. Sad doing a mission. Now, what you say, Nina, by him. And yes, I won't know I'll come at you. No. Yeah.
You didn't tell her that, man. Yes,
I was a Hano. It's so scared. What's a miss what crap? No, come on, so swatty. Now, my name is Obaby, I swatty. Yeah, I didn't say. I did what you are. It's good. Come obey your true mamma, and the say, I'm a say, she has to go for.
Mommy, what kind of
What's he? Are you?
Yeah, it's me.
You've changed.
I know, right? Times have changed. Things have gotten better. Life is good. And hey, that's my car park right over there. Yeah?
You mean that guy's for you?
Yeah, it's mine. You know, I don't mean to take you back, but if we are both mature people now, and I think we should just forget about the past. Let's just put it behind us. It's even good I've met you right now, and I wanted to tell you that I understand whatever happened. You know, circumstances led you into doing whatever you did against me. That's okay. Totally understand. I mean, even me right now, I'm in a situation I'm not happy with, but the situation is making me do what I'm doing now. I'm not, you know, particularly happy like that. I don't know about the situation you are in now.
I'm not happy.
Oh, really?
Trust me, I'm not happy.
Well, then I guess it's destiny and fate that brought us back together again. So, what were you coming to do here?
Come to see a friend.
Listen, I want to tell you that I forgive you, whatever you did. Yeah. And as much as it's very hard for me to say right now, I know I still have feelings for you. I still love you.
You love me again?
Yeah.
You
know what we can do? We should just go inside and catch up to the You know? We should, right?
Yeah.
I mean, forget about your other friends.
Thank you.
What is this? Jai, I'm going out. I'm going out. Stop it. What is this? Oh, stop! Jai, Ade, you're trying to dirty my clothes. Huh? Look, I have business. I need to go somewhere. What do you want? Where is she?
What?
Yeah, come on.
Come on. It's here by a go to want it. Mimi beg what I smoke at me, you sort me, say Mimi Yan. Mimi Yan. Mimi Yan, Mammy Cassim. Where Flanco? Where we yaba? Who were we yaba? Yet by your team of moon panel. Where we yaba? See, some of the Flanco. What are they? Why useless? You more useless. More useless. This is how many people. You fear baby. What are you wrong? You tell me what shall Papa? We have who would you feel? Hey, part of collection. Who would you feel? That was so fear the person who company now here.
Hey, you know everything belongs to me now. This house belongs to me. Alright? I have the papers, I have the office papers, I'm the man of this house. I own everything.
Yes.
Alright, so we need you out of here. Pack your things and go.
Why?
Who put them out? Who put them out?
Mama, we did say you are before the do all them. So we'll be far off and we see what's it that? Sarah was off. So what you know when you should 5 years here? Yes, I'm in percent in the account.
Hey, Bob. In fact, make sure you don't carry anything. We should carry anything. We should go. 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 Get out! Yo! What? No. What Pamela? Let me grab it. This is do
you think you're advisable?
Advisable. It's really the right thing. Your name is Vicker. No, if you go to exercise, this one will not become a catch you because you have papers. Your name is Vicker inside.
Oh yeah. I have all the everything. My name is, and she put my name on everything.
Yes.
So
I don't have any problem to that. Seminar, come on, me sack you down. You know something? This woman is old. You are loose your one side in the street, but you are need fresh girl. You understand? But when it's going to be business celebration, let's see two champagne. Oh! You're too old. So it's just a man when we probably choose that. I can shut you up. We are packing our man. The girl and him, I'm missing what I'm missing. What's what would you know?
This is sister. And Obano, Panama, would you sue Mamma, would try that one. And I'm in himself. It's a mawa and Diam with Jayama Wapamato, Yamawa casting. What was your bar? Would this woman? Then so one white Yeminia. If you were what you wait. What do you call us, some papa? Come on, baby, pony. Little fool. A semi me kind. Was he? And I'm a pay, brony, and I'm penny pakoko. I brafuna omu makwasia, mempebi bini, omu de omu nyomu ni subai. Enie, brony no obu kwasia yo, minia, me catch up with see you shubu gamshi. Ma udeta bank ninya juma, maninya wild, me catch them. Jasunu jasunu kranam de me nya wani mhwe. Na huye me. This is a comment and say, then I'll be dear pan out to we sit to obey.
They said, "Dear, my person may and said, go to one of the zero to make
Call what? Me bombo, me go to me see hope you would that. First court na kwende na wo case. No all right. Any your coy. Na we dear. Wala wakofa ba tro ho. O tro ho papa ma. Wa na wo sensan ye. Woni dimu di bibia Hanover e ma no. Hanover bia ma no. Ti se no. Court ho de yi me free mo delete me cry free mo. She. Also, office will quite do no fine. Not the pachina. You be office or takre pa face to face. You face me, I face you power. You got takre you no. You want me ye pie ha ya ni nkyere no. No one fast afone a dancer for an office afone nyina e mayen. Aden, then one say na me. Ono ka so tena wa na tu. Ye tu mire wa yi wom. Ha? Ah! Aje ja ho ma asma for asese. Me bra me to e fam madam bombom no mfiri se me ye bom. Enso me nya bom sa. Me nya bom sa. You na ka so wani edini. Odo fu say, "Hey, emran tia na abanye for donko." You swipe people, for I being one for do. Why are you so don't know? Oh, bless no, no, so they do, Eddie baby. You see, can know the shy young girls. What is oh, was here? Yes, so the bed. Fall to bed. Bed. Today.
You cheap slut.
Is today. Today is your last day.
Oh, really?
Not even today.
Oh, really?
This time. That's sorry. Yeah, but two. Somebody yeah. Yeah, but two. Hey, Joy! Yay! Joy! Yay! Joy! Yay! Joy! Yay! Joy!
Where you going? Huh? Where? Huh? Get that. What do you want? Get out. Oh, but now you're scared. You're done. You're scared now. Get out. Get out of my office before I shoot you in the freaking bomb. Get out! Silly ladies. Puppets of Kumasi. Nonsense. Come back again! How do you want a good looking guy like that? Old ladies don't get it. Life is such a mess. For real.
Asemia shimika. Entiye pa. Especially me pa na chese. Me na me here. Hey! And now wait ofri jatoi broni peta tantan we yetimi atia di tu. Ama yen wodi tu asi eso. Etu. Ja. Mama na who said a guy for Asante you beto. Mama na who say yam you who wiase Asante wo be who wiase. Ye say who sika no. Hey, mama na who say ye adwuma den and edin sika no. Enti woni kwan se wo betena office ho. Edi ni fuka nyafu. Basa. Hey, okasi etumre wa yo. Aha. Ayu a eyenetie mo esu etumre wo sanity. Untimi da. Hey. Ye dia fafo. Ani da faso na anya ya. Ye de be fan finfi. Ye be mana sensen ho. Ye be finfi. Na na dwi ya bese. So zubazuri. What did you? You go for na dwi. Yes, and
And I'm going to be there. Oh.
By force. Now, what damn, me the neighbor tell me what you charge him. Now, some for frasaba. Nana, Miss, what you charge me? One more far grand, second milk me. Miss, you one pumping is aggy and a twin come out of my own. Come on, Kumasi, the symmetry of Manu. I ain't trap. Papa needs to sleepy. Didn't such open me and put on his head on a summer day and no air brono. Nana, would you try Jamie Dandy come away, Yana? Now, send for fun and Saba. To shake my out before so everything at Jamie and now doubt. You say, Madame Fee, I for feed that to be repeated and time. I know what did do a wall so. I mean, Grano, I am a come. They say, what Benny Pum, and all fingers are partial, and she might have a dear meaning. I'll prefer the brain. Ah, ben we get a japati. Ben me, that's what I japati. Ya kwakwa. Jamichi say. We be go kosia. Kankan say be ma be go ba kosia. How come to you? Nana zuba da. Me boa. Zuba. Na pasa me ya de den. Nana, do pasa be ni pia. Me. Sir. You better be cool. You better be cool. But can't any man, but what the major party champions are. Oh, back who are and the mama of Paris. The South Paris, no. Put me, you are. I come a beer out pay. Put me, yeah, big beer out pay. Yo, what? Me, my mouth out to me, no. Me, my last resume, the mouth out to me, no. Only how be our wife. So that. I know. Okay. Samesha won't be baby when it's a baby reading powers. Samesha won't super double. Na double. Super powers, na double. Na double. Puro na double. BTC 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 na double. Na double. Ashiya na double. Ashiya na double. Ashiya na double.
Driver is still not.
You and that's your driver.
No, he was just supposed to go and service the car and be back in time to pick us up. Ow!
What is that?
Ooh.
What is wrong?
I just felt this sharp pain in my back. Oh man. Oh no, seriously. There was, it's like something just struck my back.
Oh!
Oh! What is it? Aha! I told you I felt something on my back. Yeah! It's like something struck you, right? Like.
Hey, shut it!
Are you running away?
Mrs. Jackson, I beg you. I'm sorry.
Yes, it is me, Mrs. Yasin.
I'm sorry.
It is payback time.
Oh! Oh! Ah! Oh!
Minimum, I know you.
Payback time.
How am I there?
What? You're copying me now. Didn't you teach me? I said, "Come and let us get it. Never been a matter. What do you are? The other kid.
It's your fault.
Mimi fault. Why can't I also fault?
It's not my fault, it's your fault.
Mimi fault.
I can't go anywhere. When I pass here, lashes. When I pass here, lashes. Why?
The same pass here, lashes. Pass here, lashes.
Because it's your fault. Greedy man.
Man, pass a message. Man, pass a message.
It's not you who told me to go and tell Mrs. Jackson to give me all the property. Because you said I should go and collect. I will blame you. I will blame you. Who should I blame? You told me to marry her. I didn't do it. You said I should tell you to give me all the property. Now I can't go anywhere if I pass here. Lashes. If I pass here, lashes. Why? Hey! 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 Oh.
Someone. Na me dear. You feel sabi previous. Ghana for me man enye. Some obroni. Ghana ni nye no broni. And me nyina nye. No.
It's your fault, Mrs. Jackson. Lashing, it's his fault. Did she lash you? Mrs. Jackson, I'm willing to give everything back to you. And the property, the house. Shut up! The property, your house, the business, Sikaina, I'm going to give it back to you. I beg you. Oh, sure.
Sorry, me abana kwasa me man dia man.
Eh?
Sorry. Sorry. Ya office akosan. Ah, it is here. Who come be quiet? What?
Eh?
How would that what?
Listen.
Papa.
Ah, mami, we don't need power.
Sikeni bread don't want fun. Bossy gay, you're my best friend. The uncle Brabono, working out to be a dragon paw. I didn't die as led the purple. Me am a Juma, me am a Juma. Me but me don't come in.
Hey, don't come in. Hey, we need to pop on a motion.
Look, Bob Siga.
Yeah.
Look at me.
Look at you.
Selling fools again. I'm selling Obroni well again.
And they say, what you mother that? No, one.
Was this what I was selling first?
Yes.
No, I mean before, after that. What was I doing? I was living in that mansion. Good house. Eating well. With Mrs. Youngson. Look at me. Look at us.
Yes, you see, the problem in Amaye. Then I'm call Faba. And to the problem,
because of your greediness.
You are greedy.
You are greedy.
You are greedy.
See the stupid advice you give me, and I listened to you, and I went to do it foolishly.
See the worker. Say the worker. Me and me dem hadwe na ba. Sebi, ama wunya ma me we fine. Ono kwa na different thing. When you fie, you do pipes. Pipes ni nyina wo dia, company wo dia. When timi am ye nsi fie papa bi wo baabi. Se je bi wo je bi ti ase sebi. Account si fie a, enka na nse ke ye we yo.
What nonsense.
I say wo si fie me ye timi ye kone stores me anu animu na ke enta wo. What no say ade de na wo de. Were
you not there when the woman was beating us and she was lashing? Were you not there? Hey, Ajay. Uniho.
Namo. Now you saw better answer. Any yapamono. Says I was mobile. Over top, Massa with me for my Bob Madam for. Then how? Jasa. Mabu, I was sitting here and put your person me.
Ubebo me.
Don't you sensei?
Ubebo me.
David, you sensei. Yeah, why we are Mabu? Me put your person me. What you do? I was see.
I'm a pastor. I have a good life. Look at me selling false again.
Ufienya, Massa, comparable. So Ufienya, your house is not good. Go and play.
My house is not good.
Yes, because your rich is backing you. It is not me. Me, I'll give you good advice, but I won't take it. As for me, what am I doing? I'll obey them.
Come now, come.
Yeah, look at me.
Actually, look at you for what? In fact, you know, you're not coming to that house tonight.
That house?
The house. I rented the house.
If you know there?
I rented it.
You rented?
Yes, I paid 1 year.
Who know you?
Who know me?
Yeah?
I paid the money.
You paid the money?
They know me.
But nobody know you.
What do you mean? They know me. I paid the cash.
Go. Come and go with your son. Maybe if you're on, I'm saying, Opabra. We know, and then can be a cement over the Fiona. Who better home, I'm a power for. Who should be double?
You won't come there tonight.
You come to the night.
You won't.
Shut up! You to shut up!
Look, that's how. I'm a very mad man right now.
You are mad man?
Yes, I'm mad.
And I will deliver you.
You will deliver me to where?
I was teaching you. I will give you head photocopy right now.
Give me head. I will head you.
You head me?
I will head you.
I open the hospital now.
Me. Get that muffin.
I was saying, oh, yeah, me, it is here. I'll kill you right now. Just
kill me. Kill me in the head.
Who is scared about hospital?
Try me.
Me try you.
Try me.
I was see. Me.
Yeah. I will head you.
I was see how. Who is scared?
I get money.
You get money. A bit more solve. Jadi oche na ye nua no jadi oye no me pesa jadi oche me pesa. Jai na wumi me pesa jai. Jai akosi jai. Jai. Remove my leg. Remove. Don't mind me, eh? You are my brother, eh? You
are my brother.
Forget you, man. So I don't know so want to be a bit much shake, man. I'm powerful. Let me cut myself. You knew well. Brony wow. Brony wow.
Cry.
Brony wow.
Cry.
Brony wow. That's your job, eh?
Cry. Me get high.
Funny high.
Hey.
Tony low. No, funny high. Not funny high. Tony low. Send high.
Cry. Tony low.
No, send high.
We are sim, Mamma Penny, oh, who they were who father done me. I was a brony, who they were who father done me. Why have a fronto, who they were who father done me. Why have a fronto, who they were who father done me. Why on one was man could say no do so better to me. What an was my could say no do so better to me. Ah, Bruni Pette. Akyere Bruwa na mawa butanso, medi wachi akwa kofanyem. Yeah, wodu suba yasi me. Ah, obroni wodu wa hu fada dame. Akosi broni medi wachi dimitri akosi.
Yeah, hello, wonderful people of Ghana and all my fans in and around the world. My name is Frank Fifi Gavin. You can call me Director One. I'm a film writer, director, producer, and the CEO of Super Film Productions. The Bible says in everything, let's give thanks and praise the Most High God. So I want to thank God, for giving me the gift of creativity. And I also want to thank Prophet of Self-Reform and all members of the Overcomers Ministries. Thank you so much for your support and prayers. It took divine intervention to shoot this movie, and I really, really appreciate it. I also want to thank Mr. Jackson of Jackson Herbal and Pepper Skin, and also to you, my good friend, Proportion of Course FM. Secondly, I want to talk about piracy. Your best friend. Omo movies na ya pirating, and omo pirating. It's an offense under the copyright law of Ghana. So, what pirated films na yedi sika ne yahode ne yeni yewura adwuma no yenye sika no ensan nye adwuma foforo emfa emamo enhwe. And it's sometimes in Ghanaian films no enye fani ade enye sa sika ne yedi wura mo ekwa emma nti nunya o pepase obeye sinye kesi ala sinye efe na amanfo aide enye bi ahwe nti ye besre say who say obi pirate Ghanaian films and I say obi LDB rentia number egu Asiedu frɛ na yene nipa no ni said the emra eden isitie we are sounds when I say we support the Ghana film industry to grow. We are sounds when I say you are promoting a better Ghana film industry to be a good citizen and report anyone who is pirating or renting Ghanaian films to the right authorities. Afridia a tosho miensa adia baako a yasan so ho movie industry ni say nipa bre apabe industry ni wazanfo so bre e de omo agim industry bia no saa enenete you meet the good, the bad and the ugly ones. You meet the fake ones, the professionals, the trained people and all that. The best way King Super Films ye kwan ato na Mpempi no bi ho no owa bochire obi ho a wonye sika so be invest into the Ghana film industry na so di sika ebewura industry no oba onye research bia no consultation nothing we na omo iskana pa kuma obi a woni sinu no ni je bia ana obo nsena omo de kofu bi abeda da omo ebetimi aye ni siam na ade na pa ko yem basa King Super Films bi ye kwan ato ebi ana wo abochi wo Ghana ha woni sika pese wo produce films ana una woni die ana o pese wo movie industry no mu as a producer na pese wo this nipa appoint na se woni dia bra come for free consultation consultation free o buy it no e be better na ya church no any so said the obey no ne de o ya usika o di yam no nsa ebebeka ene said the senior juan no ho ni ene said the ho ene ma nyina etie wo ba ye ba church no nyina se ne be ya o kire bi no onko family industry no di nko tra da bi mo no di bo ne se na enya de papa na enya juma papa na me dem se ka bo se no na aye basana to azafo one day was take one one anyway ntinye de bi ya pono atoko afi obi so ho a na bi a wo person wo ba bi ana o there's a project bi a documentary bi wo here crew ana say equipment so we have quality equipment wo pese wo di twa movies bi a no so no wo frɛ ya e betimi anya good equipment at the amount. I think so crew will be our cameraman, soundman, lightman, we have trained and professional people there, and also you know say Unidi and I was well between a sample for and they almost I a human. I feel the church work around will be one a company and I say individuals no more promote almost a product and as a brand through the firms. It will be all kind of possible creative story.